Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Everybody, get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But I leave for me damn bad mind. You can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Yaga, yo.
I mix up and blend. I mix up and blend. I mix up and blend that time.
Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Apologies for the late start and thing. You know it go and thing, you know. Jump around this and that, man, and thing, and thing, and thing, and thing, and thing. Janice, oh, you know, how you right. How you post and read me did a laugh a while ago. You're damn right. You know, easy, you know. Big up on yourself, people. What is going, what is going, and thing. Again, me just want to say enough thanks to all who give me little blessings and healings for my birthday and thing. Everybody who say, happy birthday, Raga. And now then, Jackie McCoy, big up yourself. And thing, Nikki Large up and thing, see. And I want to bless upon yourself. All who send little birthday love and healings and thing like that and thing. Me just want to say thank you, no. No phone I never get for respond and thing, you know. But you know when you go on my birthday forward and thing. Sometimes I just have to put on my phone and just start respond the next day, you know, because you don't know. We in a business where you know a whole heap of people. And for respond to everybody, sometimes it can be a tad bit overwhelming, but again, we have to give thanks for that blessing there, you know, and people see you and acknowledge you and say, yo, big man, look how you out, big up yourself and you're strong, you know. You understand? So we have to give thanks for that, though. Blessings and respect to everybody out there, big up on yourself and thing. If you're happy right now, give thanks for your happiness. If you're contented and at peace, give thanks for that too. And if look at crosses and stress upon you and all them thing there, perhaps we can alleviate that somewhat and thing, and then like brighten your evening, brighten your night and thing. And we tend to do that around here, okay? Large up yourself, people. Next week Saturday is my birthday party. Next week Saturday, of course, not this Saturday, but the other Saturday is my birthday party. We're coming down to the wire and thing. Big up on yourself, blessings and respect. Big up all of my Virgo people, Virgo Nation, our time now. Right? Them forgive with the respect what we deserve. Right? Now we are carry the rest of them. A Virgo are carry all other signs. Okay? And we are carry them. So the least them can do, I give a look of respect. That's how you see me. Because we Virgo are carry them. Okay? Yes, Tina make them know one Virgo. Right? We are number one. All of the rest of them come right down to the last one, which is the Leo. You may depend on them case him. Virgo are number one. And we have all these other signs coming down, you know. And dead last are Leo. Right? And Leo them the dead last. You understand what I say? Okay. But say what I say. Tad, you're like, you always want to pick on me. You want to be... Yeah. Well, Couture, Moto say you're a Capricorn are number one. All right. Creary trucking, big up on yourself, everything is everything. People may talk to my brethren that and thing and whatever, and they might talk about, you know, they might say, she's the American, you know, Jamaican. And them just say, boy, her parents, them, you know, with Jamaican food. So me say, well, you have a problem with Jamaican food? She say, like, some Jamaican food, you know, it's not nice, you know? You know these American kids of Jamaican parents, but they must say, yo, you have a lot of you have kids who you can't get them eat Jamaican food. Yeah. You have a lot of Jamaicans here, them born and grew up Jamaican, them have foreign picnic, them have picnic up here. And the picnic them not like Jamaican food. Anyone in that position, yeah, when the picnic them not like Jamaican food, don't, uno must, yeah, somehow no must do this, all right? Judy Ann said, not hers. Monica said, not my daughter. Kalia said, thank God, my baby love it. Christina said, yep, she's in that thing. Sexy Neefy said, Fia, son love it. Not mine. Well, you have Jamaican parents out there who them kids, them no want eat, Jamaican food. So I tell my brethren that I say, no, she seemed to think that patty and cocoa bread, she don't really get it, right? And I'm like, little girl, you don't even know what you do. Don't make nobody hear you say so. Don't make nobody hear you say so, right? She have a problem with patty and cocoa bread. So I try to explain to her now, say, you don't understand that is an institution in a Jamaica, you know. I try to tell a little girl, say, patty and cocoa bread, I wanna. When no founder don't know, you know, a lot of uptown Jamaicans, them not really into patty and cocoa bread like we, you know. Right? A lot of uptown Jamaicans who live them entire life uptown, them kind of have some differences in a for them diet and cuisine than we, you know. Nothing with them, I feel them normal. Like, before we, Jamaica even bust on things like lasagna and whatever, uptown Jamaicans have beat them thing the long time, you understand? But you don't play with patty and cocoa bread. So now, me there now, I defend patty and cocoa bread and then go say, I want to you, man, patty and cocoa bread and, you know, bun and patty and them something that them sandwiches, them nice. You know, say the other Jamaicans, them, there, you know, big people, them there go bun and patty, raga. Me not talk about the picnic now, you know, me talk about the other Jamaicans, them like, bun and patty. Some say, yeah. No, you eat bun and patty, you eat bun and cheese. Me say, no, bun and patty was a big deal too. Them say like patty and cocoa bread. Me say, no, not like patty and cocoa bread. You know, big like patty and cocoa bread. But bun and patty. Me never hear about that yet, Raga. Let me say Cheryl Bless say she never hear about that before. Star Madly State say, yo, it bad. Miss Wallace say, me never eat bun and patty. Jesus God. Tass say bun and patty, delicious. Del Marine say, in high school, because it was in high school. Milo, you didn't used to eat bun and patty? Dan say she not like it. Oliver Green say, yes man, it mad. Butterbean say, high school days. Kalia say she eat it in a high school. It was a big thing in a high school. Danny B say, a man alone get bun and eat patty. Milo say she never hear about. Baby Lips say them never. Sandrine say her boyfriend say him eat it. Good Tree say still do. Monica said no, never had it. What? Starboy said that's tough, Shanti. What you mean by that? Meaning it's good, right? That you say good, right, Starboy? Puggin said not everybody know about it. Christina said never. HRH said me love bun and patty till me fool. Dan said it was a thing long time. Sexy Neva said she never eat it. G-Stop said bun and fish good too. Bone and fish? Bone and fish? Jesus Christ. Bone and fish? Gee, stop, you're gone too far now. You're gone too... Jesus God. But look how much people are saying, yes, it tastes good. Oh, no, looking at the chat. Look how much people are saying, yes, sprat and bun bad. Me love bun and... National bun and... Sexy Navy said me not eating that. Yo, wanna see your life funny? Yes. People, franny, bun and egg. Lord Jesus God. Bun and egg. Bun and... what fry egg? Like... No, the thing get crazy, I know. The thing get crazy, I know. Bun and fish and Easter time. I know somebody has a bun and egg. Sexy Gigi said bull and nice with fish. All I want a woman who did that eat them something they want to do that do it when I'm pregnant, though. Cause I want to pregnant to eat the weird something them, though. Bun and fish. People, you see how I come here so now. I come for defend. My mama telling you, I defend cocoa bread and patty, patty and cocoa bread, And I tell you, say the thing go over in a bun and patty, And a Jamaican me, I say, yo, what kind of thing that Raga? And now, the whole of I say bun and fish nice. Me never hear about that yet, dog. Me don't even know it. It must be, me see somebody put sprat. Is only sprat to do it with? Or is only like escovite fish? Because I can't I can't steam fish, obviously. It have to be fried fish, correct? Yes, sprat. Yeah, fry. Fry fish only. Okay, parrot, snapper, too, fried. Me never hear about that yet, No, John, no. Me never hear about no bun and fried fish yet. John, bun and fried fish. No, John, no. Nah, me never hear about that. People are say Easter time, because Easter time, enough bun run and whatever. And then, bun is a big deal at Easter time, and fish is a big deal at Easter time for no found, no, see? But me never hear about bun and fish. Me never hear about that yet. Me never hear anybody say them eat bun and fish together. Not even one time. Me never see nobody do it round me. Bun and cheese, bun and butter, right? Steamed fish and crackers, fried fish. Steamed fish and crackers, fried fish and festival. Escovite fish and festival. No, John, me never slap with that yet, me gotta be honest with you, Me don't know about that something there, Bun and fried fish, yo. That don't sound weird, man. Danny be country people, when them not have no bread, them eat bun with the fish. Oh, the whole heap of people are rate it up. I never know about that something there. I forced me to hear about that one there. You see? All right. But here one now, before we go on, Sonia, big up yourself. We depend surprise and shock mix up, you know. Any mix up where result in you get the shock of your life or a surprise of your life, you know. I want to call in and give you any mix up on a member this, all right? The shock of your life or the surprise of your life, all right? I want to call in and give you the mix up there, right? Any mix up will involve like a big shock and surprise will reach you or reach somebody else and thing. Call in and give you the 100 pound that and make we hear what go on or any other mix up wanna have. Or any other mix up wanna have, all right? Surprise mix up, shock mix up. Any mix up will involve you or get a shock or somebody get the shock of them life or the surprise of them life, you know? What am I drinking today? Is it beetroot with ginger, all right? And a little turmeric, you know? Beetroot is mostly beetroot, but it have ginger and turmeric in it, you know? Oh, it needed more ginger, but Sasha Pooh says she's surprised and shocked that Raga never eat fish and bone yet. That can't work, Raga. Terry Strawberry, good as Terry Strawberry, what go down, boo-boo. Melanie say my mix up might get you banned. Nah, man, you call in and give, you not post them something and I chat and thing and whatever. You want to come in with the something them, man, just come tell with the mix up them, right? You want to just remember something we reach, you know, want to just get the surprise on the life or the shock on the life and give it a mix up there, make we hear what go on right this, so seeing? The surprise on the life or the shock on the life. Give it the healings right this and things, see? All right. Or any other mix up wanna have to just call in and share the something with them, all right? Call in and share the something with them. Any shock or mix.
Good evening.
Good evening, what go down?
I'm there, no, I'm there. Boy, me have one shock of my life. My
Say
baby
now.
father get married and me hear from my neighbor, me never know.
Jesus God,
The day when him a
no.
get married, me hear. Call him.
Wait,
And when me ask
hold
him,
on. How you here?
my neighbor, well, we come from the same community. So we live in our different community and the neighbor tell me, say,
Hold on. You have something that play music behind
oh,
and you
what
can't
is
stop
what
it. Yeah. Hello? Oh, okay. Hello?
you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you
So I don't know
now.
why every time I come on for your thing, my Spotify play. All when me never had a play for how long. Yeah, come on for it. Happy belated birthday.
All right, thank you, darling. That's awfully sweet of you. What's up?
Yes,
All right,
so
tell me now.
back to the mix up. So the
Yeah.
neighbor know say I'm a baby father and she know say I get married and me never know. And the DM wedding, the neighbor can tell me say my baby father get married.
But the neighbor did tell you, oh, is a woman or a man? Woman, right?
It's a woman. It's
All
a
right, she
woman.
did tell you, oh, she come for know?
Because as me say, we all come from the same community, so she know.
Right, but you never know and she know. So there's a way where she knows. So Mr. She did tell you, oh, she here?
No, me name business that. Me call him same time. Me never business all she hear. I did true, she hear. You not the true. Cause me call him same time and he tell me about pull card but him have to do it because him girlfriend, people them a file fear Canada and one bag of something. And I mean him still love. Well, you neither hear
Hold
me.
on. So you and him never there?
We did not go back and forth. We never did pull it there because, you know, me did find out say I'm did there with her and did a lie and thing.
So
And
only did that screechy look dugu every now
yeah,
and then.
yeah,
Right.
yeah.
But you never dead then.
We never did.
Him did it because him never tell you never have it say the 200 there and him never say him a look you back for there with you.
No man, we did there, but the thing is when me get pregnant and me find out about her, me find out say a lie, him and her did they fully and live together and did there for 18 years. So me decide to back down. You understand?
Hold on. This is not the same man where you did that one up and when you go in yard, the dog never know you.
No, I want when me the carry me next baby father with the fish when me used to feed him at a
The
restaurant.
fish, okay, that one.
Yeah, that
Okay.
one there.
Yeah, that one there. Okay.
So
Oh,
he tell me lie about how him have been married to her because our people them a file fear or something. That was really hot.
well. How that makes it? Oh, me have to marry to her because our people in my file for her.
Yeah.
Nah, that is, let me
Raga,
tell
me
you.
done a fool.
No, but that's somebody who know immigration law. It actually worked the other way around. Our filing would have got through quicker if she not married.
Listen, me did young a fool.
Okay. Them tell us, say, him have to marry. The two of them, they are Jamaica. The only way that would make sense is unless somebody, some immigration benefit there that prefers people who get married or whatever, which it worked the other way around. It's when
Raga,
you.
every day me say, look on it. Look how him use that as an excuse. And me, the America, I know she can't travel, go nowhere. She the same place, stuck at Jamaica. All him come here and married over, divorced her and married over and get through and thing. And me say, look at that.
Oh.
Yes.
So hold on, she didn't know say you and him in a you are
Yeah,
well
man, she
she
did all
knows
step to
cause
me
the
and
what
me yard and thing and they threaten me in my car go court cause she said me and my pitney I got dead for hungry. One bag of something still, but
hold on, she said that you and your picnic are go dead for
I
hungry.
dead for him cause all her paycheck come to she. Cause he used to come to me before when me and him did dinner things.
Yeah.
But when she find out about me, I have a little secret for pull, but me now go tell her to them. I go change up my page and tell her one top secret to that one, yeah.
All right.
Labels where woman go for make. My Babyfada always listen to you, so I can't even talk.
All right.
Don't worry, Raga. If anything, me text you, make you read it out. I can't tell her
Different.
always listen to you.
No, but what me I say is for she go say that to you and look at retribution and take her. This is my thing. Me not care where anybody have and whatever. Yes, when people go on a level and I tell the person about you and your picnic them I got dead for hungry cause of me I got
Raga, me did have the upper hand because me carry him go court when me 6 months pregnant and they win the case for the child support and he run away come America.
No, but me just I say for she I wish bad pan picnic.
Yeah, that's why me carry him go court because she said to her mouth said that's me and my picnic I go suffer because all of the paycheck come to she. So me sure the system there, the Jamaican system there and it works.
No, I ain't sure she get knocked and I know she not fly out, no.
Never fly out from the day she born. And me did a fly morning, noon and night. I know me live America.
You see people I wish bad pan picnic man and thing. Bad blessing not gonna follow them, man. Me I tell you, man. Bad blessing not gonna follow them because
That is shot me do a Raga. You know why wickedest thing when me call him? He tell me say, oh me know. And yes, but he might do it because true our people them a file for her figure Canada and them say him have to marry to her because then there for so much years.
oh.
That was his excuse and he still love me. Oh, all of that in a one sentence, Raga. Me did not lie. Me did feel it when the neighbor tell me, but when me hear it out of female mouth.
Alright, well on. Here's a question. When was the last time you and him sat out before that day that when him get married?
To be honest, probably less than about a week or two.
Before?
Yeah, come son I did 7-8 months at the time.
Well, okay then. Well, at least I never the night before because that would have
Like a week. I like a week before that.
yeah. Okay.
1 month. I never 1 month. I did within at least a week or two.
All right then, cool. Well, I never the night before, you know.
Raga.
Or the day off. No, me don't know. Me here mix up with them some day, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah,
We did have an experience over a year. And in 3 days after him come, I try to come back to me for sleep with me and me turn him down and say no. 3 days after me here say I'm married. At that one they did at, but me not go another one there.
Okay.
Yeah man. I treat
Well,
time
look on the brighter side. You have woman who iron suit, man suit and thing, dress him up, fix up him tie and thing, and then once I
and him
married
left
him.
out of the house, sleeping at the same bed with her, left out and gone, got married to other woman and come back in there. Me hear all them story them. I know them the for true. People me know where personally where go through that.
Alright, well, hear that one, yeah. I'm going to code it up here because...
All right.
Yeah, that one you have to code up here. Yeah, I know somebody, right? I know somebody. I'm leaving right. I know somebody who did there with one big international sports figure. But the whole world know whose name will remain unmentioned.
All right. I kind of pick up.
And when me tell you it's a girl full of hype and thing and whatever, you know,
Don't pick up. Wow.
no,
No, I will never do that.
Right. So, you know, she's that type of person who, oh, this is who I am, and and this and She, you know, I feel
I give it too much a character.
Hold on. So, so, you know what I say? She like to make people know because she into that something with the status and starting.
Type of person, yeah.
So apparently now, amongst those people, the wives know each other. Like who they would star them, them know each other. So when games are going, it's like it's almost like the wives have a community by themselves. They know each other.
Yeah, man. As them friend they one another.
Right. So I talk about big US international sports star, you know. And so she and that one here juggle. So, and I know at one time now, she noticed say the whole of the wives, them and the whatever, them are move funny. So she said, you know, one of them kind of call her, I can talk to you for a little bit. And she's like, yeah, sure. You know, the girls, we don't want to get involved in this, you know, but do you know that so-and-so is married? And she's like, what do you mean married? She's like, married? She's like, no, he's not. We're engaged. And she's like, girl, he's married. And she's like, what do you mean married? I'm not married. With that, everybody knows so what. He's married. And she like, married to who? When? And I saw them, you know, the couple men come and say, yeah, he's married. He got married on such and such date. And then she go, no, he couldn't marry this because he was with me the entire week.
I remember now, same
Well, man, you know what I said, the dog, like, the dog come in, I think either the Saturday or the Sunday, right? We spend a week with her. But on the Tuesday, the dog tell her, say, him have to go somewhere and import a meeting the Wednesday.
liquor.
You know, say the dog go him import a meeting the Wednesday and come back the Thursday.
Man, I wedding, go on it. At least him sleep on the honeymoon.
No, and then stay with her for the rest of the week and then left and go on the honeymoon with her. Yo, no. She full of it because she have that little superficiality thing about her. But may I tell her, it's a wicked beating that she get this, so you know.
How would he buy the ring? I input ring on her finger or she put on her own ring?
I him they buy the ring. Multi-millionaire, man. But me just assure you, you know, that's why ladies me don't want to know. Me tell you, if a woman wants something from a man and whatever, then put, because all the signs were there. All the signs were there. But what me tell you, say the woman say, when a woman love a man, when a woman love a man, or really want a man, or really need something from a man, the man don't have to lie to her. She will lie to herself, him.
Denial.
Yeah, man, mash up her head, man. And thing or whatever, you know? And thing and
you feel that fear. No, I mean, you don't say wicked, but I mean, as a male, to see a man put a ring on one woman's finger, even though she hype on things, Me sure know say she a treat him good. What you think cause that?
Let's say to me, wicked people they on both side and whatever, and that's the hear me I say. And then the other thing is, I'm gonna say a thing too. You know, say sometimes something reach some people and people say, boy, wickedness on for do her that or oh, she for do him that. Well on, but people don't really know who the person is where the something happen to. And if them really know that person there, then sometimes people say, oh, I can't say why she treat him so or why him treat her so then now that me know the person, you know. I mean I get in other part there and thing. But yeah, sometimes if you move cool and whatever, and you go there with and you deal with everybody wicked and bilious and cool, and then you go run up on somebody now who other person that you feature. Remember what you sow you reaping. Right?
That's true. That's why I stop there with
reap.
man when married. That's why I stop there with married man, Raga, because when you reap, you really are go sow.
You know, you talk about buying. Me know a woman meet man at Jamaica, man. And she buy the ring to and whatever and love and all them something there, engage and thing and she keep all it to organize the event at Jamaica and thing and whatever. And sitting and this and that and whatever and big party and this, you know, about the union and married and thing and the man file for her, man. And when she get through, the man buy one big sitting of flowers and thing and gone out to JFK there. I look for her. But she said she did that weird. She in a yellow and black and thing and instead. Hey man, stand up out there, look for yellow and black till in week and do it. A red and white she wear and come through and when she for turn right out at JFK, me say she turn left and go right to her man who did that jump up in her belly. The whole thing planned long time, you hear? Yeah, I met the grown man there. I call the police them and I say, something must be wrong. She's on the plane, I know for a fact. I just don't want her to like something happen to her. This somebody hurt her and whatever, this and that, and about I police them and thing and I know say, I bossy me. Wicked people up on both sides. Remember that, me I tell you, yeah?
Raga, because enough of them not do the next partner, nothing and them. And I may not know why a man can be up front and just leave the woman. Them want have them cake and eat it at the same time. And then they come back and
why
tell
you say a man? Say man and woman. Say why man and woman can't just be up front and leave the person?
Rarely have woman do that to man. Rarely.
Whatever. Woman do it too. Just as much as man. Just as much as man, woman do it.
Raga.
But you don't always want to excuse woman them when them do it.
No, excuse no woman. Me personally would do a man that. And I've known people that do that. And me tell them straight up, say, yo, me not rate them for that because the man a good man. Them take the good man for granted.
And them always, woman, that's one thing we do, you know, when the woman them do some wicked thing to the man, them very often hear enough woman I say, he might hear that he need for learn, after him and a man or the next thing I want to always come up with. I wonder what him do to her, make sure if he do that.
Me say, you know, me always said, they know me can't find no fool like him.
No, and one next thing I want to always I say about, what I want to go on always, what woman always I say to say, oh, this one just pissed me off. Anytime you hear a woman say, oh, no woman turn her back on a good man. That's one of the biggest friggery out there, you know.
That's true. Right?
You never hear Jamaican woman say that all the while. Me talk about Jamaican woman and that. You know much time me a Jamaican woman. Oh, no woman now this and that with a good man. They do it every day. Woman disrespect man, treat good man terrible every day. I just want you see some woman bold enough to come out with some video and actually I said, oh my man is so nice, he's perfect and thing like that. But I have to leave him. Or I ended up cheating on him because he was just too nice and whatever. I just notice I will if a woman I make them video then on. You know see them?
With my husband, me did I say the same thing. Me did I say him ex-wife for the witch and him ex-wife this and him ex-wife that. When that shit catch me, me say, no, me understand why the ex-wife do everything and take away everything and left your ass me.
All right then. All right.
Until you're in it as a individual, you will understand why the ex do some things with them do.
Yes, man. So it go. Anyway, big up yourself, cause me I listen to you and I can pick up, say you know beard yet. So see if you can go a look a shower
You know,
and
some
come.
beard this morning, but I go whole again.
What? Me I listen to you. You know beard from morning. Me
I'm
can't
a beard
hear.
this morning, Raga, my
You
time.
listen
So
to me hear
beard.
the no beard tone in your voice. You don't
Raga,
beard
my
from
time.
me hear the no beard tone in your voice. So I am suggesting to you, go hold a quick shower and come back, come listen to the show. I bring the phone with you in a shower. That is okay. You never beard. You don't beard from morning. You don't beard from morning. You don't beard from morning. We all feel it. Hold on,
Raga,
hold
I
on.
got up
Hold
at
on.
7 o'clock.
No, hold
and
on. Say, wele. Say that. You know beard from morning. I just feel it. The energy.
Alright, anything I say, boss, I your thing. I'm ready for your thing, you know. Me not get my ticket yet, but this weekend, so I'm ready.
Hold on. What you just say?
Wele.
No. What you say? No, what you say after that? What you say after that?
Me not get my ticket yet, but I'm
No, never that you say. What you did say? What you say?
I said I'm ready for your thing.
You ready for my thing, dog?
Ready for your thing.
You ready for my thing, dog?
Ready up.
I can't
From
bother
8
with this.
home ready.
All right, Mama. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, cool. Yeah, man, blessing, man, cool. People, we're there. We is our day here. Bounty Killer Talk. Watch it right there. Surprise mix-up, shock mix-up, or any other mix-up one have, you know? You understand? My party next week, Saturday. Line up on yourself, you know, people. Line up on yourself. Next week, Saturday, Ragashanti birthday party. Amazura in Queens. You come bring your ginger race and bring... Well, let me take down Miss Lady Tracy with her no beard self. Hello. Yeah, where I going? You have to talk in our phone directly, do you? What?
Yeah, man, I said it. Hardball, Raga.
Voila, you not work with my papa.
Yeah, you hear me now?
Wait, the voila.
Raga.
Yeah, what's up?
Me there in a Ragashanti. Yeah, man, tell me why. You remember the eye when you over Sun City?
Eh?
You remember the name?
Wait, something. Oh, hold on. How am I do this thing, man? Yeah, check.
Hardball, me I hear you, man.
All right, then, cool. Yeah. So what you saying now?
Yeah, so I say if you remember my name when you over Sun City.
No, we're having a problem here. This thing, But he never used to do this.
What go on, me there, man.
No, man, well. All right. Yeah.
Yeah, Raga. Me I hear you. You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you, yeah.
Yeah, man, hardball, man. So me I tell you about some people now. Alright, me I ask you if you did remember the eye from over so.
Not really.
Over Sun City, man.
See it?
Friend, you hear the name Dollar. You ring a
Jesus
bell, man.
God, why this thing here, do this thing here? Yeah, go on.
Yeah, so me I tell you about some people now. You have some people where go on like them and Smaddy and them is nobody, you know.
Seeing.
I tell you why me say this now. Listen why you know. You see, the man who try want on your shoes can't fit in there. But the money go and try.
Wait, 1 second there. I don't know why this number thing are coming, you know, because it was off all along and all of a sudden all right, go on, tag, yeah.
Yeah, man. So I say yeah, some people are going to try walking on your shoes, but them can't size up because they can't fit them. But them still are going to try.
See it?
Watch this now. You know people bad mind people for nothing at all.
True.
Yeah, like say for instance, say you have access over the yard there and me not have no access. You got with the access you have, you know.
Yeah.
Hardball and start carry your feelings, which me not carry none.
Yeah.
So the other day me over Smaddy yard and you know.
Yeah.
Me might play my radio, I play it a way where yeah, it might load or it might low, but me disturb somebody or somebody not, but me I please myself, because you can't please people, you know.
See.
Watch this now. The mother might say, too early, turn down the radio, me turn it off.
But you say over somebody yard?
You know what for them yard, man, and the mother said to me, say, you're too early for you to play radio so loud.
But you
So
have
me
a
turn it
radio?
off.
You have a radio over somebody yard?
Yeah, me I play. Like me
What
have a
kind of radio?
transistor.
What kind of radio you have over somebody yard?
No, man, me have a little transistor that I carry with me.
Those still exist?
Yeah, man, a little radio, man.
Oh,
With a boombox or such.
oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so, you know, me the open person yard now, and, you know, me I play the boombox, and they might say, boy, it's too early, so me turn it off.
Mm-hmm.
All right. By the time I did that, I hold my composure noise. The next man I said to me, say, yo, where you look over my yard for? So I said, no, you know, I not look over your yard. And the girl be like, split for me, I'm going to light it. I just am going to light it now for me and few you catch 4, like, oh, yeah. Them can't catch your eye because you have on your glass. So me I look through my glass and see what is what.
Mm-hmm.
So, when the man said to me, say, yo, Patty man, where you look over my yard for? I said, no, you know.
Hold on. Don't say that
It's
word.
a different
You're-
man from you.
Oi.
Likewise again, you see
Hold
friends
on.
that talk about you and the neighbors,
Oi. Yo, sir. Oi. You hear me? You hear me? You hear me? Hello? 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 Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, you hear what me I say? You see that B-man word there?
Yeah.
It's a
Okay,
derogatory
yeah,
word. Hold on, with TikTok here, so it will send up.
Yeah, all right.
Somebody do it one time on TikTok, so them I go shut down the live and all because we I use derogatory. Yeah. So go on, go on talk. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, you think where you think or the thought where him a thought is not my thought because some people think dirty. And see if we're dirty, we go wipe up. That means so we no smell or even bathe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we think different from people. Watch this now. We can't leave a man or we can't build a man or bring a man with we. We have to be with self. You listen what we say?
Mm-hmm.
So if him or she in a freedom world, we just leave them and know so we not go in a freedom world. But watch this now. Like Frankie Paul over there, so tidal wave, vital player, you know. It's a hard ball, you see.
Mm-hmm.
When it come down to people, I tell you, you can't please them. But if I tell you facts, it don't make you upset. Because facts is the facts and it can be proven.
Hardball.
So when you tell me...
Hold on, hardball.
Yeah.
You know, say you philosophize and sometimes you say, watch this now and thing, and the whole will last no blood clot, because we don't know what is the central point here. Make your point, man. Because what is the key point here, make? What is the key point here,
He
man?
must say the fence is spinning. When I said to him, say, no, the fence is where you share with your neighbor. And likewise again, your grandfather dead and left for you. And you come and go on like you're a Smaddy boy, you come and own, boy, you're one.
Oh,
yeah,
see.
so dead and left things up and come and own up like you're a Smaddy when you're nobody.
So how it did end up? How it end up?
No, so the boy hurt me. I feel like say, yeah, it done, but me know it not done. Cause anyway me see me making get locked up till God and me know.
Hurt you
Yeah,
out.
man, so me sue him.
Hurt you out.
He broke me hand, man. He broke me hand. Mash up all my phone too.
Well, him broke your hand?
Yeah.
For what?
Alright, so...
No, don't philosophize. When broke your hand for? What happened? What did that?
No, he jump a fence.
Yeah, that's who I tell you. Him jump the fence and went do.
Him use a cutlass now and beat me up. Or try assault me.
Okay.
So
Yeah, just be direct. Yeah, just tell with them something. And so,
Yeah, say black
just because you didn't play the radio.
No, because I tell you the truth. When you said to me, say, I look through upon you through your fence. And I said, no, it's not your fence. It's a grandfather dead and left for one. But you come and go on like you're a Smaddy.
So him jump the fence and beat you with machete and broke your hand for that?
Yeah. And I go on like him a Smaddy.
John, no, that gone too far, man. You sure I even saw it go? Because that sound like a madman. Who got jump fence and broke somebody hand for that?
Me, I wonder where am I there pan? But watch this now. You see what next day before? Him son did maybe take up one money for him. Same as said to me, say, yo, dollar bill. My son no give you no money. Me say, no, you know. So you know someone will carry feelings or even say belly. You dig what I mean?
Well,
Feelings
no,
or
you're gone in something else. You're gone in one different story, I know, you know.
No, listen what I say. I say, him son, maybe they take up one money for him. And he might ask me if him son give me no money.
Why would the
I mean, I
man
said
who
to him,
broke
say-
your hand just assume, say, if him son thief him money, he would have bring
You
it
see
to
him,
you?
man. Me I said to him, say, yo, your son never give me no money. You dig?
All right. All right. Now
Yeah.
say a word, man. All right, then. Now say a word here, sir. But, well, I make no music play and I think because when it a post back, it cause
Yeah.
problem here.
Absolutely.
Yeah. But anyway, still, I'm glad you're there attack and you're alive, you know, because it sound like a madman would have do you something and thing. But me have 10 million other people who are coming, so I want to give them a blight to hear. Here. It goes some man, big up yourself.
Dagger them.
You see it?
Dagger them, girl, Raga.
You see it? What day, man, I do with things same way. Here, dollar bill, large up. I sip of the beetroot. Yeah, my birthday party next week, Saturday, you know, make sure someone come on for that, you know, all right? Big up on yourself, you know, people. One thing with the beetroot, you know, it just red up your tongue, you know. Yeah. At the only time red dip on my tongue, yeah.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I want to Sade about lies. What you know about me? What you know about my mouth and my tongue, Sade? What you know? My girl Bill here. Yo, talk to me, Raga with the innocent mouth. That me I tell you, no, can't go around the thing. Yeah. Surprise mix-up. Surprise mix-up or any other mix-up won't have surprise mix-up. Any mix-up involving a surprise or a shock. Right? A surprise or a shock. You understand? You just call in and give it a mix-up. The whether it did involve you or it involve somebody else and you can the shock reach. I mean, I go down the line now, man, you know? The line. Or any other mix-up won't have until make a year where I go and greetings.
Hello there, how are you today?
What's up, sure? Sure, you say laugh, you know? Sure, you know, run for laugh, you know?
Hey, Raga, how are you?
Sure, I can ask you a question.
Ask me, baby.
Like how you love to laugh, you laugh through Sato too?
No.
Eh?
No.
No, there's nothing wrong, you know. You have a healthy appetite for humor, but do you laugh through Sato?
It depends.
It depends. I mean, you will joke around in Sato, don't it?
Of course, if I get tickled.
Yeah. What if you what?
If I get tickled, yeah. You know there are ways to tickle you down there, right?
I know, but
No?
I would think that, you know, most men wouldn't do well with that. You know, if you smile and him go say, "What's up, babe?" and you go, "I'm being tickled." You're tickling me. And you're just like, what do you mean? I tickle you something, I tickle you. No, that's a mash up a man. You know, I think that man not going to hear that. Man don't want to hear nothing about tickle too tough in a start out, you know. And nothing go and I tickle you, you know.
No, I don't behave like that.
Okay, all right.
You know, I'm well proper during that time.
Good. Yeah. When I share your sato tono.
No, Raga, it's been like 2 years. So
No, but may I ask you, like, yeah, do you know if you have
when it comes to that, yeah, I think I'm good.
you're good, your skill them turn up there, so you know.
Yeah,
You know if you do things and whatever, don't.
exactly. I know how to do things.
Well, you know if you boom it off, don't.
Wait.
No answer me, no man.
Yeah, I do.
All right. You know if you hold on. You know if you lean it and slant it.
What's leaning and slanted?
That me you don't know. Don't worry about it. You know if you edge it.
Yeah.
All right. You know if you lean it and slant it and then I edge it at the same time. You don't know that.
No, I don't know that one.
Okay. No, and I appreciate you being honest, you know, because you have some people tell lie, like the caller before, she would have tell lie on body.
You think so?
Tracy, yeah. Tracy would tell. Tracy would tell lie on body. Let me see who else in the chat would I tell. Munchi would tell lie on body. Let me see who else. Let me see anybody else. Kalia, yeah. Sexy Gigi, yeah, them would tell lie on. Shade, definitely. Yeah, I'm just saying, all right?
No, right, but I think I'm good.
But you think you're good
in that department.
You got you got skills, right?
I think I have skills. Yeah, I may not be bumming it off or catching it on the. What did you say?
Catch and quint.
Yeah, I may not be. You know,
or edge it, slant it and edge it.
Yeah, but but I'm good.
No, but slant it and edge it is nothing really. It's like you see when anything firm or whatever, and you grip it. What you do, you just lean it, right? So it's in a strain thing with the muscle tense, and then you bring it up right at the edge, and then you just word the edge. I do not need elaborate, but you see from you lean it and strain it, and so it tends up and stiff up and thing, and you lean it so, or some woman would just lean it back or whatever, and then you catch it at the edge, and then you could own a man right there. You could take a man's soul right there. Listen to me, yeah?
I'm scared.
No, I'm not scared. The man I go scared when you put it on him and own him. When I tell you these things, so you see, if you have a man now, you and him cool and him can tell you, say, do this and do that and whatever. A mad thing, man, and you learn a couple of things and things. You understand what I'm saying?
I don't mind. I'm teachable. I don't mind learning.
Okay. All right.
I'm very teachable. I'm always open, but
well, you're always open to learn. You're always open to learn.
Exactly, but
not always open, because you don't sound like somebody always open, but you're always open to learn. Goddamn, girl, you ain't 7-Eleven. Don't worry yourself, man. Yeah, that's not. So where all is well right now.
Yeah, I was just calling to see how you spent your birthday. Did you get any gifts afterwards, after the show?
After the show, no.
Oh, okay.
No, but that's cool. What?
Okay. Just checking.
Yeah.
Okay, but no, how did you spend your birthday? Like, did you enjoy it? What did you do?
I was here. I spent like about 5-6 hours with the TamFamers and I was playing music. I had a great time.
Oh, someone said you had a private party.
No, it wasn't a private party. I was here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you weren't here on Saturday, correct?
I was. Remember, I wished you happy.
Yeah. So I remember, just I'm look at online thing and whatever, and that's fine by me. It was cool. I was here alone, and I'm good. When I'm done, go on my bed. I'm good.
You went to bed. You went to sleep.
Yeah.
Who else did you go to sleep with?
No, honestly, no one ever there.
Oh, okay. All right. Anyways, I don't have any mix-up, and I don't want your followers to come, whatever. I just wanted to, I just want to say hi and make you laugh a little bit, because...
Yeah. All right, thank you. That's really nice of you. All right, big up yourself,
All right.
All right. Okay. All right, sure. All right, man, big up yourself. All right, cool. All right, shock mix-up, surprise mix-up, or any other mix-up one. Shock mix-up, surprise mix-up, or any other mix-up one. Any mix-up where, you know, you end up in a big shock and surprise. You never did that expect such and such to reach you. And thing, and then it got happen and things. See? What go on? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Raga, me say, a long time me want to straighten you out with a mix up, yeah. So me have
Hold
this
on, you
friend.
sound kind of muffled here.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Not well. You dep on speakerphone or earpiece or something?
No, me I talk straight up in my phone.
You don't have something in the background?
No,
I listen to show?
I'm sitting outside.
All right. Go on talk. Make us see. Go on talk, yeah.
So me I want a friend, you know, yard man, you know. And me and him keep in touch, and the man tell me everything happening in life, he tell me. So in the work on one ship and he meet this girl from Greece. So he say invite the girl to come over because the girl say he want to try a black man. Come over and he say, come over and they work on the thing and he say, girl look good and they try to impress her. So they work on the business, you know. And he said the girl start talking and encourage him, say, oh, this is so beautiful. He love the girl accent, you know, the girl turn him on. So he's saying, bend her over and they using hand for massage, you know, the area that rhyme with Dolores.
Mm-hmm.
And when he reached down there, the area empty, he couldn't find his tool. The man saying get nervous. And he's
One on. The man, I feel the era upon that era that we end with wrist.
With Dolores.
It end with wrist. All right, yes, right? Something wrist. And when him I feel that era that him not feel nothing there.
He say empty.
It empty.
Yes, but in the work. And
Well, you can't turn up your phone. You think your phone need for turn up?
All right, me just. This are my maximum volume, you know.
I don't know why. Something must be your phone case or something. It just make your voice low. Well, go on. So I'm saying I feel nothing there and whatever. And then what happen?
But in the work, and so I'm saying he feel the area when they try to heighten the sensation. But when he realize nothing in there, and he's saying get frightened and nervous, and he say, whoa, when me cock there. And when he realize and I back door in there, the man say he freak out.
Well, on. So wait, him end up go through the back door. I never know. So the back door was a back door. I'm thinking it was a front door.
Yes. So the whole time he think I front door in there. And the man said he was so embarrassed and feel shame, and he say something just drop out.
Well, so when he realized I backdoor him, it just shrink and dead and drop out, no?
He said literally drop out.
Right.
He said the girl confused and she don't know what they go on. And he said, what happened? He said he have to tell her a big lie and tell her saying eat some bad food and it upset his stomach and he feel like he don't get sick.
Oh, so she confused, say it just dead and go down, right? Yeah. Why, right? That she confused about. So she never confused about where it was, right?
She knew exactly
where it was, right? Okay.
He said the man said he's disappointed and he's shame and he get nervous and nothing the party over and he don't know what to do. And he's saying love the girl, you know. So you know I'm from me yard income, he want advice. So me they said to him, say, man, just get used to the back door, man. You say, hell no.
No, but you know, I said somebody they call one of my outsider show one time and said that. And at the time, me I'd say, no man can in this one or no say him in this one, whatever, and then whatever. And me did that at the time. Me I said, nothing can go so I like her, nothing can go so no man can in this one or no say. And you know, a couple woman call after and thing and whatever and say, no ragga. Right. You know, yeah, woman say, yo, woman going, woman them say, who into some of them something there. Worse if the woman them already do them type of something there around there, so. Them say, you have man going there and I know say in this and them there. And these are women saying this, you know.
And that sweep on the Bible saying they know say in there. Can me ask him? Say they know say in there. They say no. He said the reason why he know say no in there when he feel long in front and it empty. He say he nearly pass out cold sweat they wash.
But
Why me not believe him in a Raga?
yeah, there's something I not understand there, but I not follow it up, you know.
I don't believe him. No.
Yeah. But for somebody, for a man going there so and think say, it have to be that, you know, she used to doing that round there, so, you know?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you know? Because the first thing is that woman go ball. Anytime a man and whatever, woman always, you know, cause you know, sometimes man slip and you know, woman always a correct man and whatever, you know?
Always a detour sign.
Yeah, and woman has a check a man. So if him really go there so and she juggle, you know, a regular speed that Ferrari and thing or whatever. I mash up the general men's, though.
Man, so now you want me to give him advice. What me to tell him, say?
I don't know, you know.
Tell him, you know, just get used to it.
What kind of, you are telling him saying for just get used to it, go around there, no?
Hey, you the look woman. Me have a man, you know, you look a woman. So.
Eh?
I am the look. He love the girl pretty like a money Raga if you see her.
So you say like, oh, she pretty like a money and him don't go in there already. You are telling him say like, then just go and work with it because she have a problem with it. And that you are telling him, though.
Exactly.
Oh.
According to him, he said him is a Jamaican man and he can't pass that.
Oh, okay. So you wouldn't have a problem if you know, say him as your brethren and thing around there, so him there and yeah? You're not going to judge him. That you say?
No, any port for a storm, you know. I don't care, you know. I him they look for a woman, you know.
Oh.
I him look for a woman and he can't find no woman, so if that he have to go deal with to keep her and he love her. He's so impressed with her pressing shirt. Never see that motherfucker pressing shirt before. I've never seen that man pressing shirt before. Girl come in town and press all in shirt them. So hey, you need to decide, do you really want a woman?
No, you just say if that him have to do for keep her, that you just say, right? So if that him have to do for keep her, you say him for just go and work with that, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Hey.
All right. Respect for that one there. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Blessing, man. Cool. Surprise mix-up, shock mix-up, any mix-up you know where, you know, result in a shock or surprise or whatever for you or somebody else or whatever, and thing you just call in and give it 100, seeing me could hear what go on. Proper. She gone. She gone. No, and me bring her me ear slurping. So man, first me say a food she eat, but you know, me just did I listen to make sure. Yeah. No, that sound like soup. It sound like soup to me. It sound no soup in here. A soup me here, you know. A soup me here a while ago, so me don't know no a soup me know me here soup. A soup me here. Okay, me know say a soup me here a while ago. Like a chicken soup or red pea soup or beef soup. I think, yeah. Hello. Hello.
Do you do videos? Do you do videos? Hmm? Do you do any videos?
I mean, who you talk to me?
Hmm? Okay. Yeah, I can. Do you squirt? Do you squirt? A lot? Yeah. Hmm? Yeah, yeah. We will. Hmm? Hmm? I don't hear. Oh. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. You know, I'm gonna text you on my personal number. So this is my work phone, so I'm gonna text you on my personal number.
No, I can't do him now. I take him now. I can't do him now. No, I can't do him now. I can't. Phone book. No, sir. No, man. No, me think about it and I say, that one I could have end up somewhere. Bilias, you know.
I mix up and blend that time.
Yeah, no, me say, you know, I take him down. I do him a favor, I think. So I take him down because, yeah, no, big and serious, you know, like, we do this as fun, though, with the sleeping and thing and whatever, but, you know, people make mistake and, I really go blow up some of the thing them way and whatever. You don't even know what is what to, you don't even know certain linkages are, you know what I say? I mean, I want that. The dog I get Tina lyrics. Yo!
I mix up and blend that time.
No, beetroot sip. No, sir. That one day, I wanna love the free green. Hey, the chat get busy a while ago. Me say the chat a fly, so. The chat a fly a go up, so. Me say the chat get busy, chat get billions a while ago. And I love the arms house, you know. Remember me telling you, yeah, I will take a look at sip right there, so. No, sir. Yo. Moving right along. No, man, we don't have to take it down, man. Because I say, I say, John, no. Yeah, or something else. You just know I say something else I go say and thing I want them. Because on a year where the thing there, you know? I say, John, no. When one juice me about Choraga, yeah, man, the rest I only did 1 year what is what done. No, man, but I feel down about my vex bad, yeah, when they want to hear the rest of it, you know? Yeah, Miss K, I wanted to hear more. It's always fun and games when on in it, done. It's always fun and games. Let me tell you something, and I think, you know, something like that, you never know what is what, you know. Marriage can mash up, all kind of something can happen, you know. Who not get to see them picnic, Cool. You as simple as I see it, then you know what is what. Here. All right, thank you. So Melo say, Raga, you did the right thing. Pugin said true, no nothing. Exactly, you see? Tracy Bless say very true, Raga. All right, you start to understand now. It's always fun and games when you're in it and you enjoy your interests are served, you know? Your salacious desires are being satisfied and thing, you know? But then what happens when somebody's life get destroyed, you know? I mean, I don't know what is what. I don't know anything and whatever, but what if the intention behind that was supposed to be discreet? We in a mix up here and we enjoy it, but we're not there for mash up people's life, yeah? Right? We're not there for it go so far just for our own personal enjoyment. We stop think and we get so caught up in the moment of the thing where we enjoy, you know? With the voyeurism involved here, that when I think and I say, what could this lead to? And that video there with the man where hug up the woman, the CEO where hug up the woman and whatever. You see how bad that end. Enough people that talk about it and whether it end up really, really bad, you know. It end up really, really bad. And again, me not excuse them for them choices or anything or whatever, but me just say, one look at camera catch them for a fleeting second and the whole heap of lives destroyed, picnic can't, the children can't walk on street, them can't go supermarket, them can't go to family, beer balling, pee and all kind. One flash of video and thing or whatever. You understand? So we're there. And nothing wrong if we catch two people that start out or somebody asleep or whatever, but we have to use a discretion and thing. And sometimes you can't just think about your own personal interest, entertainment interest and thing when potentially it can lead to devastating consequences for somebody and them family and things like that, you know? All right? Sure said the wife filed for divorce yesterday. Yeah, it got real ugly. It's 1 second. And then flash and run, but 1 second, and you know? Yeah. Yeah, HRH, but no one want to hear, man. But if it did happen to you, you don't want people to hear, though. If you did engage in something so huge, with the stakes really high, you know, and something, it was almost 1,000 people before, and think, I think you don't want it to happen to you, though. All right? So, I could go and balance up the thing, no? I get greetings. Hello. 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 All right, surprise mix-up or any other mix-up, shock mix-up or any other mix-up, any mix-up involving a shock and a surprise, you know, something you never expect and you get the shock of your life, or you make somebody get the shock of them life, or you know somebody will get the shock of them life. You understand? Hello? 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 All right, nobody not did the same. Moving right along. People next week, Saturday, I'm a party in the morning to the forward if I'm buy on a ticket, lock and seal on a ticket and things, see? All right. Hello? 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 Nobody know that they say either. All right. Shock mix-up or surprise mix-up or any other mix-up one I've seen. Any mix-up involving the shock of your life and things, you know, or a big surprise will reach you. Right? Or somebody do something and thing but give you the shock of your life. All right? Let's give you a link and tell you about it. That thing that will happen to you or will happen to somebody who you know. And them get the shock of them life or the surprise of them life. Just give it a link, they make we hear where I go on. In the meantime, everybody who will watch the live right now, if you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Everybody who will watch the live right now, if you're watching the live and you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. All right? See, the Calvin, big up yourself, me see you. All right? Muddy, in I thing, you see it. All right? You nah follow me yet, follow me right now. See it? If you not follow me yet, follow me right. How this cooker?
Original.
Where you say?
I'm there in Raga.
See it? Where you say?
I'm there going using myself, you know, seeing.
Cooker, yeah. Me see your link, you know. Me get your link, you know, with the text.
Okay,
you know.
yeah, you may have to say, you know, you let me know, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah. But so you definitely are coming party, don't?
Not necessarily yet. I'm not sure yet. Family emergency come up with my run guy yard in the weekend, yeah. So hopefully I'm back by about Thursday. Hopefully. You know, my old man feel well, you know what I'm saying? So
all right.
my phone need that, you know what I'm saying? Sorry about that. But definitely, I think they for deal with same every May, okay?
Well, you gonna buy the ticket then?
Yes, that's mandatory.
Okay, I know how many tickets you go buy.
5 for now, sir. For
Five.
now, 5.
5, okay.
How you do your thing, okay?
All right, so $5, $45 ticket, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much more? That I what? Like I what? That I what? 275.
Well, you know, so we can't count so good, you know.
Yeah, man, I 275. So I can't give away 5 tickets.
You said 275.
I 270. No, I 225. No, I 225. I 225. All
I
right?
gotta rob me, I got.
No, I
two.
2. No, I not so much.
They can't rob poor people, man.
No, 225.
It's 75.
No, I mistake me, mate.
Okay, all right.
Remember, say my max no wonderful, you know. My max no wonderful. Unless you want to get squeaky the extra $50 for bike, some bull and peer, cause you know.
Maybe buy it next Thursday and back and see what I feel and what situation and get some more for myself, okay? But for now, a 5 daffy.
So the 5, sure.
Guarantee. Send me the Zell right now, okay?
All right. Me send the right I'll show you.
Right away, okay? No
5
issues, all right?
So our people may have 5 tickets for giveaway, right? For who definitely I come to party and whatever, cause Cooker a sponsor 5 tickets.
There you go.
Whether or not him can make it back from him father thing at Jamaica. 5 tickets, all right? Good. Why go down differently though?
Well, I'm there in the Raga more time. Almost every evening day I listen to the program and sometimes I see and some people are war because they want to run off the customer, the person, what's the customer? Run off the person of a program and you say, no, we can't do that, right?
Yeah.
And I sometimes listen some argument with some people and I say, them boring, really. Definitely, but I'm not going to type in to run them off, basically. You know what I'm saying? But in my personal mind, I will say, the person are boring.
Exactly.
But they need to look back 3 weeks ago when a guy came on and come with like a boring story about Rose and dildo. And he was so dragged out.
Mm-hmm.
And you pull him foot, and you pull him, and rather, you got one of the best story out of the man there.
Yes.
And master, the man deserve a Grammy. If it's a Raga award, him forget it, the one with him father, the pastor.
Yeah.
Him forget a award. Raga, that the story you have on your edge of your seat.
Yeah, because the mix-up start with something simple and we can't go on and
drag him out. And you pull him until Raga Ingi is sitting where Raga, that one the wicked, man, I like you.
No man, several layers of some samples in the content and thing, right? That's why when somebody like me, me run the show, right? You understand? Me can't make them dictate to me what to do. Me have to know what me I do when me I run the show. You understand?
That's it.
You see it.
So I just say the magazine. So what time them talk, sometimes I just you know exactly what you're doing. Your show, as I said, take your time, build them until them come to the courage to tell you what they want to tell you.
Yeah. I got the wrong if people put them feedback to the thing. I feel them way if you enjoy.
I feel them.
I mean, I like when them start go too far or them start bomb up the chat, you know, like them keep on a put. Take him off the mat. Raga this, Raga waste time, you know. I mean, I like when them do that, you know. Because enough time people listen and things happen with them, you know, like they're not run going at the chat and go enough up themselves and gone too far. What the time people hear things and would have love the thing go a certain way, but them not get rude. That is my point. They don't get rude.
Yes.
You know?
When they get rude now, that's the problem kicking. And you get what do you call it, ruder? You get ruder.
No man, when sometimes them not realize, you know, but them come over like them a run the show and them a tell me what to do and Raga you idiot, Raga you this and that and whatever and thing. Can you imagine those people in relationships?
Ah boy, Raga, I know I imagine them not all.
Yeah.
I go through too much rough times with women. Them come
no. Yeah.
Leave it right there, so.
See it.
And people, please, like you don't hear me on Raga Live right now, please don't call me right now. Call me after I come off here. I don't know what a lot of people they see me, them hear me. Oh, and start calling me same time. But ask if I'm me on the live. That how they do it, I don't know.
Yo, from the days of radio, man, people would dip on the show and thing and whatever, and them friends start calling them for tell them, so me I hear you upon Raga. By the time the people them talk to me, you know.
That is so strange, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But me listen to, every evening there's a Raga, and the main me listen to the woman them at night time and them come on and everybody come, and I'm gonna say something, and you know, say I'll get a lot of backlash from this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
And me no mind. Me a big man. Me a 50 and a little bit, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And I've been on the road when it comes to women and relationships.
Right.
And every woman, I will tell you, first thing when I come in, oh, me pum pum good and me pum pum great and tight and all and everything is great and all that. Fine. Nobody disagree with that.
Mm-hmm.
But coming from me, Cooker, one man perspective, okay?
Yeah.
Ladies, from my perspective, me can't tell another man. You'll find a woman with her good pokey, or great pokey, and the sex is not comfortable. It's a difference, ladies. Now, a woman will have the tightest pokey there is, and making love to her, having sex with her, and it's miserable. You're not getting the right groove in. She'll kick you off, or something about her that's pushing you away. When you are pushed, you are dragged, something. It's not comfortable. And then you find another woman.
Why is that? Why is that if a woman is real, if a woman have a tight, good, it's not comfortable. So it's tight and miserable. It's tight and miserable. Why? What caused that?
It's not. No, it's not the sex. It's not the pokey miserable. It's the sex itself. The actual action of both of you putting in. That is what's miserable.
What you mean? What you mean? They're
all right. Say for instance,
physically incompatible or just like personality?
Yes. Not personality. Physically. The movements of both people together doing that.
Right.
One person just maybe come at you, it not fling the right way, basically. Yeah, she not fling the right way, basically.
But why if the woman really tight, but she not move, and the man alone a move, that can be miserable too?
Yes, it is.
Also.
Years ago, I met a girl in America here, years ago, and she was a virgin. And this girl, a real argument, she said she have a boyfriend, but he's American, and she want a Jamaican man she want to take her virginity. I swear to God.
Why?
Okay? I don't know. And she was about 28-year-old. And Raga, it took me about a good 5 days before I finally get in. As a man, not a picnic. My man.
No, but I don't think the virgin thing for count for that discussion. No, virgin thing can't count for that discussion.
No,
I mean, virgin
that
come with the territory, you know. That
yes, it come with the territory. Raga.
Yeah,
but
that
I'm
come
not
with the
saying
territory.
Raga, in terms, Raga. And after that, we try it again and Raga. But what I'm saying to you is, Raga, is maybe because she haven't had sex, she don't know about sex. She don't know how to get in that groove. When you fling, she fling it back. Something like in that sort. Whether I can maybe I'm not explaining the right way. Terms the right way. You know what I'm saying? But sometimes they are not. Alright. So for instance, me turn out place over a woman and 1 foot on my shoulder and 1 foot down ground. She have 1 foot one shoulder, 1 on the ground. And yeah, slowly I get inside there. Now depends on the action of what she get. Raga. She can't have one leg easy off, keep easing it off. So every time you come in, you know, yes, it's good, yes, Raga, but you not get it the right way how me want it. I'm talking about myself here, not mine, in general, me. So I'm going me, you can't burn pan that, okay? You can't burn man pan that. You have to burn me. You know what I'm saying? So, but then again, Raga,
no, you're right. You're right. And I know what you're referring to now. Yeah, I know what you're referring to. Yeah, and what he's saying, people, is that a woman may have one pretty good, one tight, good, but when you go so boom for going in a living room, you have women who them end up and do things and a fidget and do all kind of something and strain and push back and whatever and all them things the way.
That is it.
It can make you manage all these extraneous actions from her. Yeah, focus on all of that and focus on pleasure, you know? So I think
and
that's where Cooker is, yeah.
Yes, that's where I'm at, Raga, and it doesn't feel good.
And
then no, Raga.
Sometimes man don't want to do that. Man.
Then again, Raga, you're going to find another few now, Raga, where Raga, when you go to woman enter and then start, Raga, the ears stand up by your ballad, okay? Do them bad, Raga, you know what I'm saying?
Right, yeah. No, and some woman, you know, some woman have that something there where
Raga, as you enter,
I don't know if you explain, you know where me attack, but
yes,
them not to do nothing nowadays.
Nothing at all, Raga.
You're going at the living room and it's friggin' heaven, and a heaven,
and Christmas right away.
And them don't have to do nothing, it just, you know.
Fireworks, everything, Raga, your eye start blink, everything start just go out.
And them don't even know how to do anything, it just dead.
Raga, they're not doing much.
Yeah.
They're not doing much.
That's true. So what is the lesson? I think you seem to be telling the ladies something here. So what is it that you're telling
Raga, I'm not telling them. It's not. I think it's nothing that they learn or is taught to them.
Yeah.
It's just mandatory. Someone just born that way, naturally born with a good, comfortable living room.
Right.
Where me will live in for the rest of my life.
Okay.
All angry.
Do you think that Terry Strawberry is one of those women?
Well, I've never been down that road before. So
what about Nadine Wong? You think Nadine Wong is one of those women?
Raga, look, you know call no name yet to me know.
No, okay? But me say just go by the name.
The name?
Let me give you a name and make it. You just tell me. You say comfortable or miserable, right? I'm going to just mention some names and you just say comfortable or miserable. Just from the name. Okay, all right? You ready? You just say comfortable or miserable, just from the name. Naki B.
Nah.
No, say comfortable or miserable.
Miserable.
That's from Naki B. All right. Dream Chaser.
Miserable.
Sure
sound good. Yeah, sure comfortable.
Sade.
No, definitely.
What miserable?
Miserable.
Okay, we have 6 more to go. Miserable at. Okay, number 5 now. Munchi.
Yeah, Munchie are good as.
Munchie was comfortable.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. All right. Sonia.
No, miserable.
Miss. All right. We have 4 more to go. 4 more to go. 4 more to go. Hold on. Hold on. We have 4 more to go, but we did ask about Terry Strawberry, right?
Yes, Terry Strawberry sound comfortable.
Comfortable. Comfortable.
Yes.
All right. Cookie Monstrous.
Hell no. Miserable.
Miserable. All right. We have 3 more to go. 3 more to go. 3 more to go. Christina Brown Sugar.
Christina Brown
CBS.
Sugar.
Okay, CBS. Christina Brown Sugar. CBS.
I would get her comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yeah, just make
Okay.
it over comfortable.
2 more. Del Marine.
Comfortable.
Comfortable?
Yes.
Oh, that's interesting. We have 1 more now, and that one is hold on. Tracy Bliss.
Well, Tracy Bliss name speak for itself. Comfortable.
Comfortable. Okay.
Yes.
All right. You make your call, man. You make your call, man. Thing. And I know some of you ladies, you got comfortable. Some of you from cooker, some want to get miserable and thing. And I know that the miserable designations, you're perhaps not pleased with and so forth. But it's just cooker's judgment from your name, and it doesn't necessarily reflect your reality.
Actual.
Okay.
Yes, reality.
Yes.
Anyway,
But hold on. Last one. Elaine too cute.
No, Elaine not good as man. Comfortable.
Comfortable. Alien comfortable. Oh, you mean comfortable. All right, Cooker, that's that word.
Yeah. Look a small story I figure. You know my story.
Run it quick there. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, so I met an American girl a couple years ago. Good while now, I meet her in Duscombe Boya. She come from North Carolina.
Mm-hmm.
At age 14, at age 16, she have 2 children already.
2?
Okay? At
2?
age 16.
Oh.
At age, look good girl. At age 17, she met a Jamaican man. He was a contractor. He was 28 at the time. She said when she met him. She was 17 or 28. She had 2 kids. He had 3 kids in Jamaica, and he came here.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, she started dating him and talk to him. And by she had 21, she have 3 more pitney. So by 21, she have 5 pitney. The man have 3 at Jamaica, and they married and him sought her out, and she sought him out, and him continued doing work as a contractor, and do him thing. She not have no education, because as I said, she never get a chance to go to school, and she just be a mother. In 5 to 15 treat them, they come up them, and they're American now, and now she has 8 children in the household looking after while the man go work. Good man. Take care of her, take care of everybody, you know. Him not run up and down, you know what I'm saying? All right, so she in an education same way, and I got through. Age 28, the man go work one day, 8 o'clock, she away from him not come home. She call his boss and say, yo, Tom, not come home, you know, what happened? Are you guys on job? She said, no, I sent to a job site this morning from week, and I'm going there every day. So, as being the boss, she said, okay, he always tells his wife where he's going. So she decided to go over there. So the boss hear that now and really rush to the side because he no want no. I mean, he's not like that, but just in case he might cheat or anything like that, you know, he no want the problem. So he rushed to the side first, the boss, a white man, and him got there. When him got there, the guy truck was outside and the light was in the house, but the door locked. By this time, the wife pull up. She's 28 years old. Now, the man 11 years old and her. So man at 39. So she goes home to see the truck outside, walk call. So that means she turn on all day. And she go there, look to the window, knock door, the beat on the door can't open, no answer. So the boss call 911, fire brigade come, boom, then break a window, go inside there, and within about 5 minutes, them open the front door, come back outside. They call the boss out, because I know the boss, them talk to him, call him one side. Him hand them jaw, she say him hand them jaw, I rub him chin. And she can't look to see him and just drop from him jaw. She said when she see that, she know something was wrong. One police was there at the time. One police came with the fire brigade. One single guy. And she goes to the woman, she go towards the house. I said, what happened? And I go towards the house. So the police start block her now. I said, hold on, ma'am, I need to talk to you. And she said she just hold my fling my ground. The strength she had and the hunger she had, she swing on the police, fling my ground, drop her ground. And she run at the house. And when she run at the house, Raga, where the fire brigade man was, she go see her husband in the closet, dead on him knee with the hammer and chisel in him hand. He chisel out something in the closet, and he died from an heart attack, same place in the closet. Died same place with the one hand having chisel, one hand of the hammer. Now this woman have no education. Barely can read or write because she started reading when she was 14 years old, so 13 years old, so she don't know nothing about school. She don't have nothing. She have 8 people in the house now, 5 for herself, 3 for the man. She said she grab the dead man and fling him a ground and say, yo, he can't dead yet. I tell him to wake up. Because she said she don't know what can she do now at 28 with no formal education, nothing at all. And this man away at the breadwinner for all long now, come dead for her. And Raga, she said she have to go home, go sort out herself. And at age 29, she said, Raga, she have to start over schooling again with 8 people in the house. Start over life again, Raga, at that age. She said it was rough. Then now the kids, the 3 Jamaican kids, their mother came to America because them filed for their mother now and reach up here because they become big. They were big at time. And them and their mother turn against her now and start sue her and fight her for the house. To sell the house because they want for them share. And she said that was so heartbreaking. She have to get some money from some family of hers, buy them out, pay them for them part of the house with them to get, and then keep the house for herself and have a loan back from her family. Go back to school, become a paralegal, and she's now a paralegal right now. 10 years later, 5 years later. And the same kids them have sue her and fight her out are back at her house because they want to go road, go mash up and come back, Raga. And now they are in her house right now, Raga. She have put them up right now because they're not enough to go.
Damn.
See? So the moral is, Raga, this housewife thing sometimes I say, it sound good. But this woman here, Raga, got to hell because she decided to be a housewife. I know the side, she became a housewife. She became an housewife and shit just got south. You just got south upon her, you know what I'm saying?
Life happens.
Life happened upon her. And she's testimony, Raga can tell us, yo, me sit down at age 29, me just start back high school. I just start back school, figure learn to read and write properly. And see me here today, me fight it and because out all of this, pay my bills them back and me there now. I move towards become a lawyer very soon.
Okay, good.
People need to understand, yo, you know, we Jamaican, we take a lot of things for granted, you know what I'm saying? And we don't understand, say, yo, tomorrow, no promise to none of we.
For real, yo. For real.
No, you know what I'm saying?
No, respect for that little inspirational story that despite the sadness in it and thing, but you know.
Yes, you know what I'm saying?
And the whole out in the end.
So,
all right.
go on do things like Raga, every evening there, see, I'm not on the subscribe thing because I do a little juggling for evening time by 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, I'm gone, you know what I'm saying? And
it's all good.
It's all good.
It's all
so,
good.
you know, subscribe is just a waste of time for me because I'm not there for Big trouble. Them say
No,
them
no.
want trouble.
Just so you know, there's a lot of people who subscribe and they can't even make the sub live, but them just subscribe to support the channel. I'm just telling you. Yeah,
I
I'm
will
just telling
support
you.
you any which way possible.
All right, it goes some
Good
man.
youth.
All right.
And a pure love, you know what I'm saying?
It goes
And
so
big up
quicker.
Alien good as comfortable.
Yeah,
Alien
comfortable.
now.
Yeah.
Alien comfortable.
Yeah, man. Give thanks, you know. All
Manners and
right.
respect, all right?
Yes, man. Cool.
I'm blessed.
One cooker and things, see? We're there. Hey, God. Mellow, see the Mellow, big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, Mellow. Large up, you know. All right. Munchie, where you going with that? Large up yourself. All right, shock mix up or any other mix up won't have or whatever. Shock mix up or any other mix up won't have any mix up involving like a big shock and thing. And big up all who get comfortable and big up all who get miserable too. Yeah, hold on wherever somebody pick me and thing. Greetings,
Good evening,
hello.
good day, Ragashanti.
What's up?
You think you could have hide from me? Eh? You think
What?
you could have hide from me?
Wait.
You want TikTok while I couldn't want banter me? I know what I want with my request for my next account, but it not let me through. And
Which
through me
other
a
account?
a cavi.
Kavi. Nah, man. What
Me a
happened? What you mean?
sign up on my next phone. I don't know why them I say my request now go through. Yeah.
Hold on, but you can't come in at it. You can't come in at. You can't watch a show though.
Yeah, but my kid now, I'm try on other people's page and it's not. Some don't know, maybe I'm black or something, I don't know.
Well, you try by other people's page and wait,
Yeah, it says
is your Kavi account able to come in and watch a show?
no. That's why I can watch the show, I can comment if I want, but I can't get no request.
You can't send up no request.
No, and nobody can send none to me neither. I don't know why.
Nobody can send no request to you on your
Account.
on the Kavi account that well that have something.
So I'm just sitting around then and
So something with your account then. Something with your account.
When me
Because
there.
on occasion, you know, I notice you do your lives, and on occasion, I just surreptitiously, I stay in the shadows and I listen you on your live. And I see
I
how
can't be a foolishness.
Yeah, me hear you whatever on your live and me listen quietly and thing. You see it and whatever, just so you know. Right? There are times when you're doing your thing and my eyes are on you. Yeah.
Ah, you see, I watch you too. Me like that blue, you can't still, you know.
You see, I do your live and I talk up, you sit to them man and whatever. Boy, you can't beat the man to me.
I do no such thing, Ragashanti. Me like a blue shirt. Me did no such thing.
All right, then. Cool.
Well, I'm a good girl. But anyways, big up yourself. Happy belated birthday, because I got my miss. No request can go on for me. I don't understand where I go on. Okay. But happy belated birthday, darling. You know who messaged me, Tav? Mixup, Tav.
I Tav message and say what?
Yeah, Ragashanti birthday. Yes.
Oh, Lord God, man.
Yeah, Mixup, Tav. You don't know him.
Real Satan, you know, man.
That you know him stay already. Him have to come
proper Satan, man, boy. Me I tell you, man. You know, I see when people they say who are salt and water, then you know everything. I am that, man. No Jamaican.
Listen, me learn my lesson from Tav. Tav now mix me up again a backside.
Yeah.
But anyway, Raga, you remember me to tell you about the local African man where I ring off my phone and I start up my phone and turn up on my door.
Yeah.
And me go cuss him the next day.
Yeah.
Me never cuss him man and I just ignore him, call him, ignore him two at a time come knock my door. You know? Cause you know want to go there with the person.
Yeah.
Me ratted one night, think I with me to my sleep. I went last Tuesday and with me to my sleep. And I get mad and just take up my phone and text him say, hi, can I have 200 pounds? Thank you. That was the cue to get rid of him, Ras. And I thought it worked, Raga. From last week, Tuesday, I send a message, Raga. I hear back from the man, me happy.
Yeah.
I thought it worked.
And then bap, you get the 200 pound.
Today, yep, drop to my letterbox. See me on the road today.
I like
I mix up and blend that time.
You really get the 200 pound with you?
Raga, me thought me get rid of the man. The man can drop the 200 pound to my letterbox. Apparently, him see me today on the road. Come and bring my little girl got first day at school today.
Yeah.
Them see me on the road apparently. So I don't know if I wait see we catch. I don't know what to tell us Raga about the 200 pound end up in my letterbox. I want to drop
No, I must say.
and a text from my phone.
Well, you set right.
Raga, you're out of there. You're little and neat
I
and
ask
sexy.
you a question. You set
Raga,
right.
me little and neat and sexy.
Well, you cock up.
Thing. Raga, me say me little and neat and sexy.
Me say you cock up. Answer my question. You cock up.
Yes, Ragashanti.
Okay.
The people them buy BBL. Me come with my own BBL.
You
I'm a
come
little
with
frame.
you clean a liquor frame and thing,
Yes,
and then there's a
5'1".
fat. There's a fat.
No, she
There's
good.
a fat. In a fat.
No, me
There's
not care
a
fat
fat.
pum pum.
But your shape,
Nope.
but your shape good and thing and whatever.
Cock
Cock up and be things and whatever.
Yeah, ask Tab if you not believe me.
One on man. You have a look a slide bow leg or anything like that.
No bow leg, but I mean I look at something.
Okay. When you walk, your natural walk is a sexy walk.
I wouldn't say so still, you know.
Okay.
But
I
you just not
just
behavior.
want to know what him see, you know, make him say, no.
Yeah, me not know
She
neither,
forget
but
that
him
200 pound, yeah. Girl, forget that 200 pound, yeah. She
The man
deserve
drop
it.
the 200, after me swear so me get rid of the man drop the 200 pound to my letterbox to the Ragashanti. Me frightened with me.
So what got me, you know?
Not a rascal, not gonna happen. He's still in the same position.
What
I tell him today anyway still.
him
Me
dropping
actually give him a
200
talk to them.
pound?
So
When
yes,
a man drop 200 pound, him have some expectations attached to that.
Yeah, me know I have expectations, but sir, you start my phone. Me's a single woman by choice.
Yeah.
You're doing the most. You apologize and say I'm not trouble me again. You see.
But we listen you and know you enough, you know, say, no man
Nah,
can
give
give you
that
200 pound and think him can program you for 200
You know,
pound. So
me
we
say,
know
me
that
tell him
boy,
man
you
straight,
know.
say, you do the most. So I can't deal with that. So I say, I apologize and say more. But I say, once in a while, I will send you a call.
Yeah. You
Me
give
know
him a
your
little,
woman.
yeah, just give him a little conversation for your 200 pound.
Once in a while.
Once in a while until,
Yeah, you want to
until
start
it
me
wear
forth
off.
every
It'll
day.
wear off like about a month or two after, you know.
God bless him. You better bring one of that 200 come drop.
Yo, girl, you're terrible, you know,
Oh,
man.
yes, Raga, me have one story where the girl tell me.
Yeah, the girl.
Yes, the girl tell me.
Tell me, give me a
So
next
when
mix
she was
about the girl.
about 17, she baptized in a church, you know.
Really? Yeah.
Yes, the girl he baptized to backside and go in a church and have a look at one boyfriend and you know.
Yeah.
They in a church I do her thing and proper living the right life, you know, 17-year-old convention, everything in me. A church, me say a church, me
Yeah,
sorry,
man.
a church, you say a church, you say.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyways now, this catty are going to the people them church and go pat the people them deacon.
And go do what?
The deacon.
What about the deacon?
The deacon at the church, the little catty go spot the deacon in the church, a little skin catch a fire, she tell me say.
Yeah.
And the deacon go spot that car older man obviously in it, she has 17. So the deacon go spot that now with him pervert itself and decide say, alright, me I go for the little girl.
Yes, man.
And the little girl line up the deacon. And every day she gone at the deacon yard. School over, she gone at the deacon yard. Go look for the deacon. Go and take deacon.
Yeah.
Yes, the little girl bad like a backside. Me say with the deacon. And she have a little boyfriend, you know.
Have a little the boyfriend in our church, too?
No, sir. The
Boyfriend never in our
She
church.
alone in our church and I ride off the
She alone in our church and then I ride off the deacon.
Ride off the
sitting.
deacon regularly.
So when she
man,
leave school,
every
she
day.
go over the deacon yard.
Every day. But
Every-
you better story. You have
Yeah.
a woman in the church we never like the girl. She said the
Yeah.
woman never like her, one older woman fear. Every time the woman see her, she cut her eye. I tell her to fix her clothes. And you're dressed too tight and all kind of sitting, you know.
Yeah.
You know, when we get to bus out from the show, me yes to the backside, we get to find out, say, the deacon joke big woman
The
too.
old deacon a joke a big man
But the
too.
young
The big
girl
man.
never know, say the deacon a joke the big woman too, but the big woman know, say,
The deacon a joke a
the
young girl. Yeah,
So she
yeah.
takes it from the young girl like a caca cloth.
Mm.
Then go for sure now the woman have be a sore on her skin, you know. Then go say the woman have the big hair.
What you
The
said
little
to
girl
me?
turn idiot to black.
Yeah.
The little girl turn idiot because she about big age. Remember, so she not experiencing a 17-year-old girl, listen now.
Yeah. She don't
Me
know
say
the,
one piece I
yeah.
run up and I got the same boyfriend, I be find money for she got doctor. And I can see me go to check up and I
Oh. So she run to the boyfriend for go
the
get money for go
boyfriend, I
get
be find money for pay for for go do the checkup. After
Then
all
hold
the
on. So hold on. The girl, when she go over the deacon, she did like a deacon.
yeah, man, I she like it.
Oh,
Deacon,
so
and
the deacon
you
never
know,
send
a
her
older
enough.
man, so him pick up on it, him see it, and this have to take advantage of the situation. You understand?
Okay.
So me can't
Okay.
well, me blame him, but me not blame him. You know?
Right. So
him
what
a
me
big
I say
man.
is him never help her out. We not look for funds or anything. No?
Yeah, look at lunch money and sitting. You know, the
Yeah.
young girl a hustle already in it.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
when she about the big age, she don't want nothing to do with him no more. She run
No,
back to
let
her
go the
boyfriend to
deacon.
go find the money.
Yeah.
She go do check up. Me say me have some stories to give with a girl. They tell me say that girl bring a girl come here, come get her man in a raga.
But it wasn't that same boyfriend. Eh?
Yeah.
It was him?
Yeah.
But oh, she end up a bring girl for her man. What, for three
The
summer
little
just
girl
with the
just
man?
come from a different species. Me don't know, but she bring
No,
girl.
but hold on. Who
Her
brought up
friend,
the idea? Was it the girl or the boy? Because
the
I
friend says she want piece of the friend man.
wait, the girl for her friend said she want piece of the friend for her man. So
And
what
the
she
girl
do? She
said
go
she
to
never
her
have
man,
no
go tell
problem
her man.
sharing.
So she go to her man, go tell her man, say her friend want piece of him.
Thank you very much.
And
bring
then
her
him, and then
home.
when him say bring her come.
Oh, then him can't refuse. The girl say,
So
and him
when
not gonna refuse. Me not blame him.
about how old was the girlfriend?
The girlfriend, probably around 18.
Oh, and so she bring her over there. So hold on, the girl did watch when him a put it on her?
Yeah.
She see it?
Yeah. One at a time, she want next person to put at the gate and wait till then done.
So she
But then
bring
the
him.
girl go breed, Raga.
Oh.
And at the same friend, the girl tell me say she have to bring her go get rid of. Yeah, she definitely was 18 for true. Yes, because she could have stand in line for the friend, because the friend younger and the friend no want the mother know. So the girl tell me say she have to go with her because she are 18 to get rid of this sitting. Yeah, the girl end up breed to backside, but she have her man too. So we don't know who for one.
So the girlfriend, what she bring for the girl man, that girl that did have fear man too.
Yes, that
But
her
she
man
did
too.
just, so why she did like the girl man? Why the girl man
I
cute
don't know, so she
or
just
something?
want some.
And cute? But
Me
why?
don't know
But,
about that part there.
what you mean she just want some? So she never did I get that from her man? I can't
Yeah, but
just
you know,
some.
a girl pitney bad and stay in it, and so she wants some. So the girl said she never had no problem sharing.
Oh,
I know
so
the first one she bring.
So she did bring more woman go give her man.
As long as they say they want some, not a problem. Sorry, the girl, not a problem.
Oh. Yeah.
Yes, the girl
Correction.
never had nothing. She was sure of her man. She was very sure of her man. Like,
Yeah,
a good
correction
man,
duly noted.
good man, good man to her, treat her, good spoiler, and a be a bunch of give the blood clot, boy. Lord Jesus.
Jesus, so tell me something. Who the girl get the boy born to?
Miss a be a bunch of give the boy. Lord Jesus.
So then when time him I bring when the girl I bring over her friend them them never run no trees.
No. The girl not believe in that at all, a rascal.
No trees never run.
Any trees are going on with two man, you brighty?
Well, that is.
What may I do with another woman? What she can do for me? After the next one, sorry, the girl. After the
I mix up and blend that time.
What am I doing?
Yeah.
What should I do with two? A woman and a man. That's long. You lot, man only have so long them can last, you know. And then all sugar apple for one woman. No.
You know, some most man prefer threesome with two women, though.
Exactly, I don't blame them.
No,
exactly.
But in those instances, the girls they have their ways in which they interact with each other to facilitate pleasure.
Raga,
Okay.
look how you
But
look
you said the girl just that are just not fear flex, though.
Watch all your jeans front. Top your
What?
nice, yeah, man. Yeah, may I see it? I can see the stitching and everything. Yeah, you. It's really how me stay already. I seen everything.
What you do? What you do down this?
Where woman? Me yeah, if you
What
look,
you do down this? What you do down this?
That you say?
Kavi, my birthday party is next week Saturday, you know.
I know.
And you're all the way in London.
How me do the subscription?
Oh, you just press the star with the circle and thing and whatever. Jesus God, Kavi, you can imagine you in a sub, kind of sub them we free up, you know, man.
Me know, remember, so me normally in there, the girl, you give me one, but me not really use it because I did to sleep in, the time difference in it.
Oh, okay,
But it's up now, I'm want renewing it.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm going to support that to you.
Yeah, you just press, you see the star with the circle around it? And that you press, and then you can sub, you know? But, you can sub.
But yeah, man, Raga, next time I call you with some more story, I tell you that girl that story.
Yeah, and big up the girl for me, yeah?
Yeah, she always says she like you, silly friend, no, she like you.
Yeah, man.
Keep her eye out for you because you don't know the pants right there for me alone.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Yeah, watch him just lean back to him. Love the fuck, Chris. Watch him lean back for me, look for the front.
But you know, so I saw me sit down from the day and you're ready for come mix me, though. I'm ready for come mix me,
though. I'm sit down by your lap right now.
Yeah, for real, though. Front way or back way?
Anywhere. No front way, more grip your blood clot.
Or diagonal, because you have a diagonal.
And around your neck. No, man, front way and around your neck.
Yeah, front way and around your neck and thing, and two need them there, son. You know about beat out your blood.
What
you say? Just stamp out that, just boom that and thing and whatever and thing and discipline boy and say, you know,
Brother, why you punish me?
And say, you know, long you keep up your wall this.
You know what you don't take me serious why you deal with me, son?
No, I'm not take it serious.
Me know, but you not to do that, me serious. You can't tell them something there to me.
Why?
You know, see me come find up on my next phone. That should tell us something. And if I want to get problem, I'll open another account again.
Well, tell me something. Look how much money I drive for you. If a man and look you and think, want you.
Look how you look.
Do the world for you, whatever. And you come, you look on the old man. You look on the old man over here, the pop down old
right
man.
now, my pum pum all for you.
You what?
You what? We get all for you. Anything it takes. Old, just accommodate it. If you say you're all of that, no one.
No, but problem I can't even manage you. What?
You know, you say I'm tiny. You know, so you're trapped in.
No, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something here. One thing me know, if you tiny, and me can't, most man, ask Chumpy or them man there, whatever, we all enough to know. One of the biggest mistakes enough man make them judge woman by them sides. You see the little petite woman them? You see the little petite. Everybody listen to me. Me not talk to Kavi alone. The whole town listen to me. All woman listen to me. You see the little tiny woman them? Remember me tell you, say, I them have it. All you hear some woman run up them mouth and thing and what. You see the petite woman them will look like them can't mash and then look murder she was. Most of them little woman the woman know are dangerous catty them man, me I tell you man. So problem I couldn't manage.
Man we promise them I got toss me and fling me all over to my size. Me dying to find him.
Yeah, and then when it come down to it, in can't don't it?
No, we can't get fling all about.
All the women them a judge woman by them size and things. Right. No, Ray. And when them do a problem, man, they say look woman them a problem, man. You understand? You understand?
I know we can't get it. But I know I go find it in you.
No, man, I couldn't manage you. I pop down. I better you drive for somebody else and things.
No, man, I know I could have find it. It's all a silky sheet there.
That what?
Yeah, sheet.
Sheet?
I got a sheet, a left shirt.
Yeah.
I'm like, you realize when we want to
Nah,
reach.
you know, some men love sort up and silky sheet. Man, I know what people see in it. I don't, it kind of, it have a look, and then when you sweat on it, it feel.
Yeah, the friction, me understand, but your
Yeah,
friction
sweat
one.
pan, even look a sweat pan silk. Silk look good, you know. Me
You
not
can't
think
rub
it
the
wait
sweat
him
on me,
there for
baby. Me
sort
not
out.
mind.
Yeah, me
You're
not
right, the
think.
sweat can drip on me. And everybody drip. Jesus Christ. Hey, ladies who never take some money and them want come drip them dirty sweat pan you. Jesus Christ. And any man get them luxury, you know?
When you know, so back in the day, way back when we there Jamaica, the sun had sort out, which, by the way, you know, sun had sort out. If you're there
Yes.
Jamaica, I have slab roof or zinc roof and sun hot, but sort out I forgot. Then I know some did have Jerry curl back in the idea August. And you know, when you have a Jerry curl, you have to put her in the bag where the water, and then the
My
water
God.
accumulate in it, you know. Then I know so one time me and a girl I sat out and did a Jerry, and then the Jerry curl with the activator and the snapback and the sitting and thing go drop out and drop right in a girl yeah and thing. I never hear somebody ball out so yet to write it right
If
in
you
her
need a
eye.
rama right then, man, Raga, me I tell
What?
you, just sweat dropping on my eye already and not a blood clot, no flinch.
You know, listen to me. Me say it was the the chemical and the sitting of them.
And what? Sweat bun eye too.
No, sweat bunny eye, but me I tell you, job. Well, me is a different man like that, you know, right? My thing is you have good pain and bad pain, and when woman get bad pain, leave them alone. Me know say you, I be a gangster man, you chat to, so them no business, pain a pain, and it just turn them on. I'm a good guy. When me I tell you, the woman scream out like a blood curdling scream and whatever, until this day and whatever. Any man who care about the person then with it, you stop and write this man. Hey girl, yeah, I swell up and red up and all these things. What?
Sweat dropping on me eye already, I'm in a flinch. Me say me wipe off that like it never existed. The way the fuck sweet up your eyes.
Then we know that. We know that. But just I say when a chemical.
No. Are you need to go on with doing?
No, you can't say what you want. Come on, you should have know better than that. So them sites them
I
work
know,
on
right?
me,
I
yeah.
know, right? I
Hey,
know, right?
Kavi. A big man you attack to a boy here.
Oh no, man. Me know, man.
All
Me
right.
know that attract me.
All right then.
You want to see me a grin right now?
Yes,
Lord
when you
Jesus.
attack to big man, you come with big people argument. You know, come with them
Yes.
high school fuckery there.
Yes,
All
my
right?
darling.
Balance
Yeah, man,
up yourself
bad me
and
up.
talk to man, and man you talk to a
Yeah,
boy.
you.
All right?
Firm up
Behave
some
your
more for me
blood
now.
clot self. All
Yeah,
right?
you.
All right.
Yeah,
Don't
me
do it
toxic
again.
self-loving this. Jesus.
Don't do it again. All right then. Okay.
All right, my baby.
All right
Lord
then. Cool.
God. I'm skin get up fire. Lord God, Ragashanti bad me up.
Yo, Kavi, good night.
Good night, my darling. Good night. I
Good
will call
night,
you next
Kavi.
week. All right,
All
darling?
right then.
All
All
right
right then.
then. Bye
Kavi. Yeah, man.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Let me down, please.
Yeah. No, man, if me take you down and thing, you're going to like it.
You see you, bye. Right, you want
Yo. Ernie, big up yourself, you know, my G. Real dog in the thing, don't. Yo, we dip and shock me. Kevin no easy, you know. Bad girl, something she dip on, you know. But, you can't manage Kevin, man, you know. Yeah. I must say, Ragashanti, I'm nothing for prove fears, you know. Nothing for prove fears, you understand? So, yeah. Kevin, man, and gangster, man, them, man. I can't manage Kevin, you know. You understand? Raga, your front heavy for true. First of all, on a Jamaican, on a know say in our language, man and front, or una and front. So on cut out the freeway. Alright? Stop it and behave on yourself. Young people are next week Saturday, I'm a party, you know. Alright, lock on the tickets. All who want tickets to buy, just send me a text at the following number. 516 500 0210 516 500 0210 516 500 0210. All who want ticket for buy, send me a text at that number at this point. Okay? and get your tickets now so I can know what is what. Because I have to line up my thing with the caterers, them, them need numbers. So I just want to know who is who and what is what and all these things and whatever. See? Now let's big up all the SDC and the ANC. Oh, you mean proper thing, though. All right. Wait, Queen Nash just a join, Yeah, Queen Nash, she dip on the road. Queen Nash, she dip on the road with her gentleman, So she just come back and think. The gentleman gonna do some work, so she a come listen to the show now and think. Queen Nash, big up yourself, man. See, mad, look at that. Urgh. So the thing said, shock mix up or any other mix up. Yes, and Tasha telling her to tap up his screen too, yeah? Even though me not really follow up that, it's a thing up here, I'm supposed to tell her to do it, But tap up your screen, people, tap up your screen and thing, and you know the thing set, all right? We're there on shock. Okay, all who watch the show, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you're not follow me up, follow me now, all right? Yes, Sonia, big up yourself, you're my first subscriber, So you don't know, so I have to rate you this, all right? All who watch the show, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Follow Ragashanti right now, see? Come in at the dance and thing. All right, watch your ride, I could see what I'm going on, so now. I go down, watch ya. Tava come after this, but I go down the line, so I see that person and there. If that person are there, then we bring in Tab. Hello.
Hello.
Yo, what you right, Peter?
Hello.
No, Shati, mana. King mana. Oh. Eh, what's the boat? No, I told me here soon. When they realize they're in the boat, no. Remember they're in the boat. I'm going to tell me now, remember. Figure the boat now, you.
Right, Bruce, Wagwan. Bruce,
Yeah.
Right, Bruce, Right, Wagwan.
Yeah, I'm a good brother. Still you can't take me off like I want to mistake him.
I won't say a word, man, but how you eat? Which one ripe? How ripe there?
Here.
Pear.
Yeah, man.
So somebody pick up say a pear. You did say a pear? A while ago you did say a pear. A pear you did say? Well, on a pear time now in a Jamaica. Which parish you in? Negril side there. A pear time now down there?
Yeah, man.
I will big up yourself, man, and thing and whatever. So what the woman them are going with down there now, Papa?
Well, you ain't get cheap, I know, I'm going.
No, the woman them, what them are going with?
I tell you, you ain't get cheap and you can't get them for all 2 bills.
What?
On $4.
What? You serious?
Yeah, man.
The woman them cheap, you can't get them for all 2 bills and $1,000?
Yeah.
Why? How come you can't get them so cheap now?
Because I'm business, and the business have to go on.
Oh, and nothing now run.
What if I head Japa and shoulder?
Yeah, what Japa for Japa and shoulder? Oh, so nothing now to go on down there, so them have to discount them thing down.
Yes, yes.
So what you get for all 2 bills or 5 bills? What you can't get for that?
I tell you, say, please do. Me have one time tomorrow. I check out your vibe, you know.
I will cool.
And you jump in tomorrow.
No, just before you leave. Just before you leave, where a man can get for like a 2 bills or a 5 bills from the woman them now?
I'm busy, I know, brother, so I'm just coming.
Eh?
I jump off panic. I listen from evil, you know.
Yeah, but what you can get for 2 bills or a 5 bills before you go? What you can get for that?
I can't talk, I know, I'm busy.
All right. All right. Anglia Bangle, big up yourself, yeah? All right, cool.
Ragashanti, you know. About evil, me, I listen, you know.
You know, John, no, kind of rough down there, though. 2 bills, 200 Jamaican or 1,000 Jamaican, you know? And you can't get a run. No wonder the one Tav a hype so one thing, you know? I mean, I'm Makia now, you know? I get it. Yeah. That's why the one Tav a hype and a go on, so, you know? And I true the thing discounted down there and whatever, this and that. Yeah. The one Tav a buy pum and seal right, you know, and thing. What? 2 bills, 1,000 and thing and whatever, no?
Your thing, that man, no man.
My thing. My thing. I down at Jamaica, you know, your Aki, you know, it's a good thing that Carla come in before we just explain to know what really are going fear down there. That's why your hypes are from what there. You know, shot up front down there.
Things cheap, you know, man.
Eh, your 200 Jamaican tune them way. Why you sail out?
But Raya get code, you know, but me don't know. Yeah, pressure him, but him a get code.
No, something that they make him can't talk.
No,
You know
that
me?
me happen,
No, man, me read the play, man. Me read the play. No, man, me read the play, but me a going like me nah, you know, whatever, you know. Sometimes you push the envelope, you know, and you will still get something, you know. But, you know, man, I say, basically, man, say, Raga, I can't talk right, I know which part me there still, you know. Because I don't even want someone so know so me buy that something there.
Yes. First thing first, let me tell you.
Yeah.
You see you with your name Cooker, I'm a hypocrite here.
With what?
Afraid of alien. May I tell her that?
Afraid of alien?
Afraid of alien.
No, Jim say alien from a name, whatever, comfortable what?
Yeah, afraid. Why you say so?
So what you would have said about alien?
Miserable, man.
You believe that alien sitting miserable?
Miserable.
You believe that from a man going to alien in the miserable and thing and nothing.
Miserable. And if alien come for me tonight, I pray whenever I get a broke from Pink Floyd and where you want it. Right as him I broke it dead. He
right now. When you say alien come from right before she pop off the battery, I go dead though. No, I don't want you wish bad for my friend, you know. Alien, may your battery always work, you know. At least if it's not go dead, may it dead after you pop off. Them for go away. You want to have a wish bad for you and thing and go away. Alien, eternal pleasure from Pink Floyd. And that me say, yeah.
I'm a pray Queen Nash have to go buy her a new one here.
What? You don't worry about that, man. Raga will buy her a new one. You understand? You take care of my friend, them, you see me? Yeah.
Next thing too, you know, Raga. Me always hear say for subscribe. I always say star, whatever. But for my 3310.
Yeah.
For my 3310, it's like it's a pentagon with one star in it.
For the subscribe button?
Yeah.
No, that means that you subscribe already.
Okay. May I always do that one that still, you know?
No, that's why you see it. If you subscribe already, that you go see.
Okay.
All right. Don't worry, I'll teach you about TikTok, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, your boy hype, you know, no? Because somebody did bring it up already, I never know. You know? And somebody said, no, Raka, be a war them to me. I said, no, at the star with the circle, where you tell me some man or whatever. And somebody said, no, Raka, calm down. When you subscribe already, that is what you really see. I was just like, oh, okay.
Let me tell Kavi something, you see. Top call up my name, Kavi. Me, I was totally shut. I didn't say anything. I don't know yesterday. I don't know nothing.
Nah, because you want gas up Kavi. Yeah, you're going like you take Kavi for clown. Yeah, like gas her up and all these things and
Here you
whatever.
talk
No.
about Kavi want, what you say, one bad man? Kavi says she just want one. One. No matter how long it lasts, she just want one from you.
One from who?
And you need to focus on yourself and stop push other man in the business. Kavi want one from you and she want the one from. So just work with that here and stop talking about other man and bad man and this and that. Just work with that here. Just one.
Yeah, what me I say, me left you to your 200, your 2 bills front them at Jamaica, yeah? I left it to you and your 2 bills front.
I mix up and blend that time.
Yeah, we not go on here, you know. I left it to you and your 2 bills front them, yeah? Yeah, the man them say, nothing not going down there, them cheap, you know, right? So I left it to your 2 bills front them at Jamaica, yeah? All right, yeah.
Look more.
Nah, man, I can't manage Kavi, man. Kavi, but hey, Tom.
Yes, sir.
You know, have to ask, you know. Kavi, a F girl, you know.
Are you telling me?
Kavi, no, me I tell you, man, Kavi, a F girl, you know. Kavi, one of them woman that she like or whatever. Kavi, shell you out just for the fun of it, you know. Kavi, one of them woman that go hard, you know. And just shell you out for the fun of here. Kavi say, yo, want to sit down and face you, you know. Kavi, one of them woman that she'll boom it off and a quint it and I want. So, I'm looking at me eye, looking at me eye, looking at me eye, looking at me eye. Until, you know, Kavi, one of them bad girl and say, yo, I might cocky this now, you know. Until probably I shot your box too if you don't mind, sure.
Hey, but you know, me observe something too. You know what I say? I'm more than one Kavi have right as I do. In terms of behaving the same way. You see, one night you bring up a lady named Mango.
Yeah.
You didn't watch the chat. I see him pre-men's Mango the pan for you now.
Oh, Mango?
Mango.
Oh, me I know that.
All right. Let Mango come up in the box so you know I got your syrup.
Nah, man. We talk about, you see, Kavi, one of them woman there, you wonder if you're in a gangster thing, but the way she go on in night, she dry you out and make you feel a juggle so. She in the chat and I say, true. She say, right, that's a raga. Kavi, one of them woman there, you want a simple thing, but the way she keep up a thing and what you know, you have some woman deliberately want to dry you out and them enjoy it or something, you know, them just want, them do something.
Just to prove
so
a thing, no?
Yeah. Kavi, one of them woman that will dry you. You don't even did it, so you want, yeah, easy, and stop dry you. You just grab around, girt her and thing and curl up something in that thing and then see the ear and they're like, yeah. And you then start put some bad one, right, that's right. Kavi, one of them woman, man. Yeah, she one of them woman. Yeah. Yo, you know, see somebody coming at the chat named Joe Grind.
Joe Grind.
Yes, yeah, somebody just follow me named Joe Grind. I wonder if I real Joe Grind.
I have to know who Joe Grind.
No, but you young enough. Joe Grind was the perennial Bonner man back in the day.
You know what? That's why I say I wonder who, I wonder who.
No, because you see me did take pride in my Bonner man career, you know.
Right.
Yes, man, me take pride in my, but I was very disciplined, you know. So you see, a man I was saying my Joe Grind, you have to wonder if he might live up to the name. You see what I say?
But as you thought that still, you know.
Yeah.
You thought that between you know.
Yeah.
Girl, them say Squeaky can't be no Bonner man, you know.
Squeaky can't, why?
The Squeaky got talk, so you have to go help him out.
Yeah, no, that's the thing. I don't want Squeaky feel no way, but if Squeaky get look a walk and thing, I don't think Squeaky should have talked still, you know.
So I mean, I think so too, but you have to go help him.
Yeah, because he can't, me help, what about the bomb? What you ask me about what help? No, I just, the only way I can help Squeaky, I say Squeaky, I know your fault, because I just saw your voice sound, that's why them give you that name, but it now go, whatever for Squeaky, I put on the work, no, and then I go the pan. Hey, girl, who put this? Who put this? Who put this? Yeah, man. And you squeak and put it down and then squeak. Just say, hey, you know, who did it? Who did it? And I go, squeaky. Don't talk. Squeaky, don't talk. Don't talk. Just whine. No talk. No talk. No talk. No talk. No talk. Squeaky goes, hey, I'm going to mash up your friend. Right? Well, squeaky. Well, look. Just do your thing. We need to take up, you know? Squeaky, man, how you feel now? You're still, you know, but you know, even the most reasonable woman who will work with you and things, she probably not going to want, you know, nobody hype with a voice there, yeah, when you're at work, yeah? Nobody go do that something. Nobody try be gangster with a voice there, you know, yeah? Because it just not go, hey, girl, I'm going to mash up your whole rent, you know? It's just like, yeah, probably not a good idea, you know? So, I don't feel fault.
It's an intermission feature, and so look more.
Yeah. All right, so that's say I word, man. See. God. See there. Yeah, I know disrespect and thing, you know. And Antoinette, Millicent, tell Antoinette, I swear, I'm going to call her right after the show. Today was a crazy day. Antoinette, I'm going to call her and big up Antoinette to celebrate her birthday party and thing. And big up all the Antoinette crew. And thing, big up all of the nurse them out there and thing. From one day, them I give it to the nurse them, you know. Them have this thing where them talk about the profession them where get the most bun and nurses them way up there. And thing, them I say the nurse them the ramp and thing, you know. I don't know about that why them I beat the nurse them way there, you know. So big up all of the good as nurse them out there and all them thing. Dog bite. Me see you know, my brother. See you, Lo. Wagwan. Shelly. In the building, see? Big up all of my subscribers, them, see? All of my subscribers, big up on yourself. Everybody who are subscribed over here, and you know, all right? Everybody who are Shanette, wait, today was your birthday? When? Today was your birthday? Eh? Rick said, if you want born, married a woman in the medical profession. Wow, is it that bad? See it there, Rick said it in the chat. All right, see it there? When I'm a subscriber, him say, if you want born, married a woman who in the medical profession. Me and say not only the medical profession, them have even just work at the hospital. Yeah, me and say from the woman them work at hospital and thing a problem. Anything go so? Candy say true. Is that Candy say true. Me and say them don't even have to be nurse. Them what ya? Them say true. See Dr. Mac run in and say a lie. Right? Yeah, them say true. Them just have to work at the hospital. And a problem them, you know? Yeah. God. What I think is, them just a blame nurse, them and the hospital people, them and thing. But how it work out for Canada now? Because, like, you know the Canadian, them sort out pop down and thing. But how it work out with the Canadian nurse, them now? The same thing applies, it can apply. Right? We all know. We all know. The Canadian and them sort out pop down. Everybody who live in Canada, them sort out no good. Right? But so how that work out now for the Canada nurse, them know. How you reconcile that, you know? Oh, Shanet's birthday was the 5th. Oh, it was a Friday. Right, Anyway, shock mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Shock mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Shock mix-up, any mix-up involving a shock of your life. Where you get? Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Greetings. Yeah.
So I want to give you a little mix-up there.
Rinse.
I usually work in the cable field.
Seeing?
And, you know, we get a call. We have a work phone and we get a call. They come through, you know, and you can see the address and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So forward at the call, Raga. And when forward at the call is, I don't know if a husband and wife, but the man did it. Seeing?
Mm-hmm.
The man did it. And tell the man, you know, him order a internet box and a TV box.
Yeah.
And me say, all right, me can do it the way. Because a proper people them, they have their money, so them don't want wires all over the place. So me show them how, you know, how me can run the wire.
Seeing.
So them don't have to see it.
Yeah.
So the man say, me can leave and forward and my wife forward. Again, me don't know if they're married, but you know, sometimes people live with each other. So them call them husband, some, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Them say wife or husband, but them not must married, right?
Yeah, exactly. So the man left now. You're the history now. The man left. And the woman forward. When the woman forward, Raga, the woman come and they like the woman eyes me.
Yeah.
So me did their work because me really want left to go on my yard. So me did their work, Raga. And then me finish. Me almost finish. So me did knock down the wire. And me end up like me hit the wall too hard and the clock drop down.
Yeah.
And the clock drop down now. Me I say, them people I must want me pay for this. But you know, when you want to sort out, no matter what happened at the house, that is not a cause. So the woman say, no, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Me now clueless, you know. Me clueless because remember I work, me come for work.
Yeah.
I don't chicken me a jerk.
Yeah.
So me continue now. Me sweep it up and you know clean up there so. And me continue now and when me finish now, me sure how everything work.
Yeah.
So Raga, the people them have a empty room, you know, where them have like clothes and something like they not finish move. So they just move everything in their room there.
Yeah.
So here I know Raga is a white woman.
Yeah.
So the woman carry me in the room now and I said to me, say, you know if you can run any wire in that, I say, yeah man, me can easy man, me just split it from the other room where me have come from, where the room where the clock they drop off.
Yeah, just put in a splitter.
Yeah. And run it there so. Raga, the woman make sure say she go in the room, you know. And she bend over Raga so me can see where she a work with, no drawers.
Jeez.
Raga. And trees.
Hold on. Frustrate and trees. But when me I say, she still.
Proper.
Wait, don't.
Oh, at the fattest what? Oi.
Hold on. Yeah, the code there now. She did heavy or she did heavy?
She heavy, man.
Heavy. But you say the fattest white front you ever see, no?
Ever seen in my life.
Jesus.
You right now, Raga?
Yeah.
Sure, I set up, me did get set up.
Yeah.
Well, on fear behalf. Me don't know if the man know.
Yeah.
When she do that, turn around now and look back for me and say, you like what you see? Miss.
And what you say, talk up. What you say?
Me have to be professional. Me say, I don't see anything. Me have to deny it, brother. What am I say?
I mix up and blend that time.
I don't know if I get set up.
You know, okay.
Remember, I know, so the husband did it.
Yeah, no, smart.
Him left and then the wife forward. But I do not know, like, if them a try sue the company, because me have to look out for them something there.
Right, no, smart. Brilliant.
So, here I know. So, when she do that now, me kind of play it off now, you know, put in the professionalism and get her out of the room.
Yeah.
And carry her back in the living room and I start talk about the internet and TV.
Yeah.
So you heard the woman to me now. After a while, after about like 5 minutes, we out the attack for.
Yeah.
The woman say, you know, I could be rude. I could get very rude, you know.
Yeah.
Say, what you mean by? Say, oh, I could be very rude where you have to punish me. Listen.
Man, discipline me. Yeah.
The woman, is that she not old, but she not young.
Yeah.
It's like she in her at them time that me did me think me did in my 20s. Yeah, me did in my late 20s.
So she in her late 30s, early 40s,
yeah,
somewhere there about.
yeah.
Yeah.
But me I say, you know them women they will go at gym and something and do them Pilates and so them, you know, everything together.
Right.
Me I say, God no, it look like them and people are trying to set me up, yo. And it look good doing that. But me don't know if I'm camera in here. I start look for camera. Me say me get paranoid and start look for camera raga. And go to the place. So when we start look now, it look like she find out now and say, no, there's no camera in here. If you're not sure, let's go in the bathroom. I say, God no.
And then what you do?
Raga, me no know if I set up because the husband did it. Me still that still a run through my mind.
Yeah.
Like, I set them people that try to set me up. So I say, all right. I have to go play the safe way.
Yeah.
I have to go back one next day and knock it down, man, Raga. I have to set up an appointment. That did too far.
For pass up, where you said the pony
Pass
too
up,
fat
man.
for pass up, what a principle. Put the pony there to get some blessings, don't.
If you get blister, man.
No, so what did happen? What did happen? You never blaze it that day, don't.
No, me couldn't.
Cause you never know or whatever. So what you do? What you do? You just link and tell us say you're forward.
Yeah, me exchange number because them the company always asks you to leave your number with them. So you can if any problem you can go back and you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, if they have like TV problem or internet problem, maybe the internet.
Yeah, so you left your number with her?
Yeah, me left.
And you set back an appointment for forward?
Yeah, me no set up no appointment. Me just left it with her and tell her say any problem she can call me.
Yeah.
So if anywhere like say, you know, they might try anything, it still look innocent.
Yeah.
But it never innocent because realize that she in eat, she need it. But again, me no know if me did I get set up.
Right.
The husband did it, then the husband left.
No, but hold on. She did call you back?
Yeah, man.
And you did go back?
Yeah.
And then, well, you believe it?
Yeah.
And how was it?
You did good, man.
So hold on, you do what you do? She call you and say if you come back, come check out back whatever, come fix back this and that.
No, so she called me the next day, so me know say I did that. So yeah, she called me and make it seems like something did wrong, but not never wrong.
So from she called you, you did read the play and say, yeah, confirm.
Yeah.
So when you roll up there the next day now, just tell me from this now when you're going at the house, what happened?
Well, when me park the truck, I remember say a company vehicle me didn't. So me park the truck like a few house down. And then wow. I have to try to protect myself.
Yeah.
Me take off my work shirt, put in the work truck, lock it off, put my phone in there, because them have GPS on the phone. So I left my phone in the work truck, but me put it under the floor so you can't see it. Me lock up the truck. And me go there. As soon as me knock the door, she opened the woman in a robe.
Robe, good.
Yeah. So me not hesitate, man.
And then what happened?
Me not hesitate. Me and her going at the what you call it? The same room.
The same room where the thing them pack up in it.
Yeah. But it look like...
So what was the shelling? What wanna do first?
Well, me and her did a drink. And, you know, me start rub down her leg.
Uh-huh.
When me start rub down her leg now, me realize, say, yeah, she really ready. So me start rub it now for it get wet. So
rub what? What you rub? What? Her front?
Yeah.
So how you did I rub it? How you did I rub it?
Me rub it clip, man, up and down, man.
So you go to the clit so quick?
Then Raga, if she in a rogue, if she in a rogue.
Robe, yeah, okay, you know, no time for waste and a romance thing and whatever.
Yeah,
so.
I remember say she have her man, so you know what?
You know what? Yeah. So you just start rubbing. So when you start, so you start rub the look of something there and thing and whatever, and when she charge up and thing.
Yeah.
And then what happened after that?
So me all right. So when me they rub it now, me see she start like, you know, I get nice mood.
Yeah.
So me kind of ease her back down on the bed now and just, you know, go over her.
Yeah.
And, you know, roll out my condom because they already have that ready.
Ready, okay.
Drop him on the boy.
Yeah, drop it on the boy and then what happened?
I'm slide him in and, you know, start
right
work.
Up in our living room and thing.
Yeah, man, in our living room.
What was the sliding like? The first sliding, how that did feel?
She did wet, so it did feel nice. It did wet.
Did you have any little grip men's there?
Yeah, man. She remember say them people there, you know, the man no big. You understand? But you know tight either. You know, tight. It comfortable, man. Comfortable. I don't know, big living room.
Yeah.
Comfortable living room.
Comfortable.
Man. Comfortable.
So where do you start curl up in night, don't?
Yeah, man.
So I no, me know why you feel that way. But when you curl up in night, where are 2 foot them did they?
Are 2 foot them now they round me.
Then they round you and thing, okay.
Yeah.
Curl up.
Me a sink like how you change gear in a car. Me a sink.
Blood clot. So I know you did a kiss her too?
They no must, man.
Okay.
You must because you are try get. Remember, I know you are try tear my wildcat.
So and you say she white and thing, but she know if you wind up and die.
Well, when he start take her, when he start take her, she have her 2 foot them now lap round you, so you can come up, you can back out like, you know, if you try pull out.
Yeah.
Try come up off, you can't come off her until
no, but you know, so we as Jamaican and thing that no bother way because we can isolate our pelvis and wind up in night even when we foot them still. You didn't do that?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So what are you represent for the
sing? All right, go ahead, Raga.
You represent for the nation.
Oh God, man. Me say she a call me so much so I thought, woman send me all sitting there. Them out pan boat with she and her husband. The woman send me picture. Me say no.
Okay, good. So you rep for the nation though. You rep for the nation and thing and whatever. You go on good.
Me represent, man.
You represent. Okay, we just want to know that because we don't want a violation, you know.
No.
Okay, you represent.
Represent.
All right. Well,
you have to beat that, man.
Yeah, you have to beat it because I say they're too fat, though.
Oh God, man, me never see in my life something that fat.
Yeah, when they meet them, them kind of persuasive, you know, compelling.
Yeah, man. Hey.
All right.
Raga, if that was a court case, me get arrested, you know, man. Have to.
Yeah, don't.
I couldn't resist, man.
I couldn't resist and thing, whatever, yeah.
No, sir.
All right, my G, big up yourself, you know. All right. You represent. Yeah, all right, sir. Yeah, man, cool. See, I'm a virgin dog biter saying proud of you because you represent for we. You understand?
All right, respect our manners.
Yes, man. Yeah, real cable guy around here. All right. Yeah.
Nah, you never cable.
Oh, well, cool, man, for one thing. All right. Turn on, okay. Fine. Upon Cavi near fine wine in a Cavi. Raga stop fling up the thing in my face. I mean, now fling up nothing, you know. Cavi, I see what she wants, you know. Well, I think we see alien in here, you know, so. All right, I'm gonna bring her in the lane because I have something for say to her. No, you know, so I should have asked about that, you know, if him they get a headers, you know. Alien.
Nah, no close, Raga. Good night to you and all the TamFam.
Well, Alien, before you say nothing, you remember the woman who did pass her place and talk about you have patrol front?
Yeah.
She in her chat, you know. She named Shanette.
Shanette, me don't tell Shanette, or me have to tell her already. Me can't go over that, mother.
Go and go over that with she.
Me tell her one more thing when me did say maybe she never hear Shanette. All of the car them go round my patrol, but all of the car them drop in a your patrol.
Jesus!
I mix up and blend that time.
Yeah, no. With her bright self.
Right. Me say, me nah sell out me friend them, me nah go this me friend them. Raga, you see Olive Cooker did say, Ilian miserable, I won't even look at him. Choo-choo. But why one just come
Tav.
When Tav talk about pink flight battery if it done, but you know say Tav rude. Tav, you see all if the battery done, me just imagine say me I get sort out from some man.
Yeah, so you're not slave to the battery, don't?
Exactly.
Yeah. You see it.
And that me would do Tav. Even imagine say you assert me out.
Who, Tav, don't?
Tav, yeah.
Yeah. And then with a glad forget something all the year matter about the miserable and whatever. And you Tav get some of your thing and whatever. I'm comfortable right away.
Me I tell you, Tav, me something tight till it a squeeze me. In a real life.
And you know, say him know, I just that little bad mind I go and write this, so you know, him know, you know.
Him in the NC crew?
No, him not in the ANC crew, but him did a beg them membership and thing, you know.
So why not just join them crew if you full of so much bad mind?
No, them never let him in, but him did a beg them membership over there, you know.
Okay.
Him did a beg them membership over there and thing and whatever.
So Raga, as a sister and brother talk, you know, come here, your brother and sister, you know, the rest of them are look you and you know want them. Me glad me and your brother and sister. You not get no sort out for your birthday night?
No.
In a real life?
In a real life, swear upon my mother name. Yeah.
And you never want a sort out. Maybe you get it the night before.
No, I never get none. How sweet is so?
Raga, now tell me say you get Liam in a big brother.
No, who tell us say you have to sort out by your birthday?
You not have to, but you know it's a special night or else I'll do a long time. I not get no sort out, so
what I say is the fact say somebody not sort out no mean say them couldn't get it if them want it.
Me know.
But me never get it, so I'm good, nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that because long time me not get no real sort out.
What you mean okay, because Pink Floyd not really, you know, talk about Pink
Floyd not real because you not have no hand, no foot, no head.
I mix up and blend that time.
But Ilian, why you come here throw a word pan Cavi though? But yeah, so people are draw for me and whatever. Why you throw a word pan Cavi though?
Because I know say Cavi look a long time.
So why you throw a word pan her?
All the one who talk about my patrol, as she look you and you no want her.
No, she never look me.
She never look me. She look you.
What you think, say quietly?
quietly.
No, man, she never give me no sign of that or whatever. Nothing like that. You know. Me no,
Okay.
well, me never
Milo,
see nothing from her or nothing like that.
Milo, I look you.
Milo?
Mm-hmm.
What you take on Milo for? Why you take on Milo? No, trust me, Milo nah look me. We don't need no more explanation.
Del Maria look you.
Del Marine? No, sir, no, man. Them that just my friend, them man. I'm a trouble them and thing.
Me know say Queen Nash nah look you.
Queen Nash? No. Yo, well on. Milo say you she like. She post it in the chat.
A liar.
Milo say you she like.
Never know, and you go tell me off, it tell off, dry up Milo, why you have to go so with your hand when it dry up, Raga.
Yeah, me I tell you, but trust me, Milo nah look me. Milo I'm a sister, but Milo nah look me. You understand what I say?
Yes.
Milo say you, she like. You understand what I say?
Me not understand that one day.
You don't understand what I say?
No.
Me say Milo nah look me. Milo I'm a sister and Milo will never look me. Milo says you, she like. What you say about that?
Like woman to woman.
Then I must so.
Woman to woman, that wrong.
Well,
no, Milo.
Yeah.
No, if you Milo, if you like me sisterly like her, auntie like her, them like that different. But me not going to your ramping shop, my love.
Yeah. Milo, I'm a charge, man. I'm a real like that, you know? Yeah. You know what trouble, but Milo real still in a Milo and real one do. You know that. Yeah, man.
I just provoke me.
Me know. Iliana, next week Saturday I'm a party. The boy, I wish you could have there, you know.
Me I tell you, Raga, but as what me say, one next time, because me not have no visa. Me only have the passport and no visa.
Right.
By next year, said Raga, you know, say if you did a keep it at Jamaica, it would have bigger and louder than America.
You feel so?
Me know, Raga, the 14 parish should have turned up, you know.
I don't know. No, Ilian, remember said enough of them young people, you know, who go, them not really know me, you know.
But even the age of the people like me.
Well, yeah, people in your age group and thing or whatever.
Yeah.
If the people agree with it, they must say, yo, for real, Raga, I agree, and tell him no Ilian and, you know, Ray, Tasha. Quite a few people that say yes, you know.
What?
Say you're right. Say, you know, you keep the party down there to that turn up. So they would have come, basically, yeah.
Yes, Raga, to that turn up more than America. True. Yeah, man. Me not talk the 14 parish should have come, but not everybody from the 14 parish. But Raga, it would have swallowed, it would have stamping, it would have bigger than the cartel one. Ragashanti.
Teacher the pan another. It wouldn't that big. Well, that
me, sir, me not take back my talk.
Trouble. All right.
That me say.
Yeah, man, the teach thing the pan another level, cartel thing the pan a level. You see me saying?
Well, your thing the pan a level too.
But me I look forward to my party next week Saturday. But Ilian, tell them for come my party. Tell them for buy them ticket and come my party.
Roll out.
Sure.
All of the Americans them just roll out Ragabash.
Proper.
The 20th. The 20th of Queens.
Amazura in Queens. Yeah.
Amazura in Queens. Just
roll
out. Put on your best dress.
Yeah.
No shorts. Even your nightie. Just come out. Looking good.
Yeah.
Man, I hope everything works out in a year.
Yeah.
Ragashanti.
But Naki B, where you have, because Alien said best dress, Naki B, we know you don't have no dress. So, but still, where you have, Naki B, no dress Alien, she no have no
Where
dress.
you have Naki B?
Naki B, where you have, yeah.
Even your yard slippers and your yard clothes, as long as you smell fresh and clean, now watch your clothes. Proper hygiene. And you just roll out.
And it's a good thing for you to say that, because she got 2 graduation and she got 2 graduation and a wedding, and it was her yard slipper she wear. So we not have a problem with her still a wear it come
Exactly. You only one knows say you come out and you come out with your money.
Yeah. With your what?
Money.
Money. So Antasha post and say, Naki B, we got your sister. Them a go lend her one dress. That mean them a go lend her one dress,
Naki B, you try wear your yard dress. No borrow nothing from Antasha. Antasha ANC crew.
No, but Naki B in the ANC.
Oh, Raga, you must help me out, man.
Sorry, okay. Antasha in the ANC, Antasha Mama Ants. And in the ANC, Naki be a auntie ants.
Oh, so then wear them one another clothes.
Yeah, they do.
What you call that? Pupina?
Puppy.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Yeah. They wear the one another pupina for true. Yeah, man, the ANC.
Thank God for the spray them clothes, them take off, then tag off of them clothes.
Bra. Tell them you're silly. Away, when we are go out, we take off, tag off our clothes and put on clothes down. We no wear pupina. We no wear pupina.
Never.
Worse, yeah, wear pupina from Munchie. You know, so that the poop then normal, Munchie pupina. When Munchie poop in her clothes, them stain. Right? right? And Munchie say poop stain. You understand? So yeah, so the thing sticky pan them over. Literally sticky, because when Munchie poop in her clothes, them get sticky and whatever. If you put them on, them stick pan you and thing and whatever. But that them over there work with. Yeah, it's miserable pan them over there, man. Right?
Me want the spray them crew, hang them and forget them.
Nah, man, we will curl them up, man, and thing, and tie them up, man, and fling them up against the wall, man, and thing. When we don't box them, when you wet toilet paper and fling it on the wall and it stick on over there, so we are going to deal with them. And fling them one side, man.
Send them home and do the one drop, so them a walk and a drop.
That's what
I Mixup and Blenda time.
See him, sir.
You know who me want big up the man who did take over your show the night.
You mean at the chat, Juice Media?
Juice Media, big up yourself, Juice Media. And I want big up the one who me did run after. Why me when me did saying too friggin' lie?
Who that again? Somebody soon post it, man. Who that when you saying too friggin' lie?
And I think in drive truck.
Oh, Chumpy! Yeah, man.
Yes.
Bossy made, man. Yeah, man. Chumpy, I come Ragabash, I come with 3 women,
Yeah, man. Wow.
Yeah.
So Chumpy loud.
No, man. Chumpy buy 4 tickets already. The 4 most expensive ticket Chumpy buy. Ultra VIP. Right, and him come with 3 women. So Chumpy thing up there,
I mean, nah, big up Squeaky, because Squeaky want you to give him discount.
Yeah, Squeaky. Yeah, I was Squeaky there with that something they don't.
Discount, Squeaky.
Yeah.
Too cheap. And now you want all of the women them from the app. So why you going to use to mind them?
You see it.
You think the woman wants to fry egg about your chef?
Yo, yeah, Squeaky. It's so fried thing for the woman them that not make it in a
Fried.
squeaky. That not make it, okay? No,
And
so
big up
fried good.
Cooker. And big up the man who say want pink flight battery for dead.
Yeah, I have him name, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish down destruction for your man him for go man.
Oh,
Right?
Tad.
No one know when gone this suffer.
All when the battery done, me nah stop till me come.
I mix up and blend that time.
Yeah, oh, papa half a go on. Oh, what I mean about no. Yeah,
Big
half a
up Queen
papa.
Ash too. And big
All
up
right.
all of your listeners them Raga
It
later.
goes some man. All right,
Have a
bless him.
blessed night.
Yeah, man, protection, my friend. Cool. Yeah, the one tab, you know, saying bad mind turn up, you know, when you're gone this, I wish alien bad, you know, right? Any man, I wish a woman, you know, battery for dead when she use a vibrator, wickedness that, you know, the heights are evil that, you know, people. At the heights are evil that, you know. If somebody can say, yo, go away, man. I hope your battery dead when you use a vibrator. Go, Jesus, peace. Nah, man, at the heights of wickedness, that man. At the heights of wickedness, that man. Man, I don't know why it have gone this, so. Why am I to go this, so? Right? Our next level evil that. You see what I'm saying? Okay. All right, shot mix up or any other mix up. Yeah. All right, anybody not follow me and follow me now, all right? If you're not follow me and follow me now. Greetings, well.
Good night.
Good night.
You know, so the man them love when woman piss in their mouth.
Wait 1 second. Are you're a subscriber?
No, but I'm a follower.
Right, but that is something it more suited for you know, sub live, you know?
Over there, so? Oh.
Yeah, because that one the heavy, you see what I say? We talk about stuff here, we play with, you know, sort out stuff, but that one they got, all right, but you may say, no, sub live that. Because of course I code it up, but that one the heavy here.
We can code it up.
All right, let me ask them. You know why she talk about it? Watch I know. Watch them, I show them damn free them. You know why she run it and code it up? Watch it. That's a BAS. Me know the answer already, you know, them love the free green. All right, code it up here.
So,
yeah.
More than one occasion, me meet people.
Yeah, talking iPhone. Talking iPhone.
More than one occasion, me meet people. The male species, them.
Yeah.
And all them depend. More want golden shower.
For real?
So me I say, just so. Girl, and I say your body look. I just want your golden shower. So me say, alright.
The man them said that to you?
The man them.
Hold on, and from an older listeners who don't hold on from my older listeners, a golden shower is somebody peeing on you, and some people enjoy that, you know, they get pleasure from that. But go on,
Yes. So me I said to the dude, me can just do that. So
yeah, they are work. Somebody are come though. Yeah, look by your client.
No. So me I tell her, say me dey work, so me have to take time, you know why?
Yeah, man, code it up, no, fix it up here, just talk it clean here. Yeah.
So, me meet this dude and him say, me like you look, man, me just want your golden shower me.
Yeah.
So me say, just so, Raga them brave, you know? Them brave, the man, them a tell you what they want. Then just ask you what they want, them a go direct. Then I go run no corner. So me say, alright, Joe me know me piss. I peed a lot and enough. So me say, alright, we link up now. Cause me like them something there too, you know. Me like wet up their face, cause that thing, wow.
You like wet up them face?
Yeah, man, me like piss on them, man. I don't know that you asked for.
That the man asked for, right?
Yeah.
You know
So
them
you give me what
face?
you asked for?
You know them
Yeah.
face?
Yes.
So well, so when them like it, them get turned.
Yes.
So well, so when them like it, them get turned on by it. Them,
Yes. I'm at then coming at them tongue and then mouth. Once you want this,
no, all right. No, what may I say? No, that may I tell you can't. Don't talk about, I get too graphic with it, Fix it up.
Then strength in them tongue.
Or the man them can't waist up, so them face up.
Yes, man.
Okay. So them not have no strength down there, so them just have them strength in them tongue.
Me just carry out the act they ask for.
Oh. Okay, and you do it, and you say you like do it on them though.
Yeah, come like when me always imagine I say, what make you want golden shower? What make I just that thing want? Cause I just that thing want in a ragga. I just that thing want and him a pay for it. I just that thing want.
And them give you money if you do it to them?
Him give me money if you do it to him, yeah. So me say, alright. What we set that time? I set that time. Come never know saying serious. I say I want XYZ and he say XYZ that a chicken change. So I say, alright, let me take a chicken change because I never do that to no nigga yet.
Yeah, don't use that N-word there. You're the algorithm. Algorithm will think that somebody has said something bad about black people, yeah?
Okay. We never do that to a man yet. So I say, alright. So we hook up and we did it and him say, me fi do it, yes, so me say, in your car? He might say, yeah. And me say, in your
No, man, you sure?
Raga, listen, no, man. Remember me in a big place, them man, them no business.
Yeah, but me just think say a man probably wouldn't want that for go wet up him car, that kind of substance that for wet up him car.
Because I was concerned about that too. So when me bring it to your attention, he said, no, babe, no worry about that. Me carry the car wash tomorrow. Me say, alright, no problem. So boss, he fling round a back and he lay down flat pan him back, pan the back seat round there. I say, me fi climb over. Right? And me fi set.
Remember, fix it up here. Fix it up.
Me fi set like me dey pan the toilet.
Oh.
Yes, kind of want hear the shh.
So wait, and you do it to him, and when you do it to him, what him say when it happen?
You know, say if you tell the truth, he just a swallow.
You see, you can't tell with them something.
Right, me have to go call you on it. Me have to go
go
sub-live
call on the sub-live, yeah, call on the sub.
When you do sub-live?
Today when we do one probably Wednesday evening, yeah?
Me have to go sub-live.
Yeah, sub-live, yeah, because,
like,
yeah.
Everything. When me like say it raw.
Yeah, and I would say something, but that one the kind of, there's a lot of my listeners who, them can't manage that, but so the sub-live are the best place to say that, for be that graphic, okay?
All right, boss.
All right, then, cool.
Something you have to talk over this.
Yeah, man, all right, then, cool. No, me don't wonder like if even if a man into them something if he don't want it happening in him car. I mean because it gonna rank up him car. That's what I was wondering, But for those of you who want to hear is we allow people to express themselves, but the sub-live is really for that type of content, and it's not even about Oh, PF, it's more like if somebody subscribe and you're going at the sub live, you know, say you don't mind hear them something. But the sub live is a private space, and when people listen to regular show, a lot of people listen on the understanding that they won't be exposed to that type of content. All right, so just bear with me with that. All right, because I want that heavy, you know, in the mount thing and swallow thing, and you know, right. So Wednesday evening, you know, when we segue into the sub live, fine, and then Friday full sub live show, we talk about them something. All right. You want to watch Starboy, but that's soft, man. It's soft for you. It's heavy for some people, yeah? Yeah. So. All right. Okay. Wait, what? God. No. Danny B, you're wrong. It's not anybody listen to Raga expect that. You're wrong. All right? You're wrong this way, yeah? There's a lot of people listen to me who don't want to hear that type of graphic thing. Them the mind hear some things relating to Sarto, but that is very graphic and it's a huge turn off for some people. And, you know, but it's something that we hear, you know, we talk about those things in Sub Live. As you know, in Sub Live, we will talk about worse than that, you know, in a Sub Live, okay? So, you know, so for those of you who think that that is a standard thing in the regular day show, you're wrong, okay? That is a little too much for some people, okay? And yeah, I'm here on the show. All right? Decision made, argument done, moving right along. All right. Hello? Oh, but in answer right. Yes, a sub live on Wednesday. We're going to segue out of the regular show into it. All right, on Wednesday. Shot mix up or any other mix up. All right. Apple user, big up yourself. You said the first time. Clear girl say, Raga, you know when to walk away. Me like that. There you go. You know, some people. Shock mix up or any other mix up one have. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
First of them answer. Lego that come out of that. Shock mix up or any other mix up one have. Hello? 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 I'm bringing all these people and, you know, send them requests up in the box, but then them not answer. All right. All right. You know, remember finish a little early today too, you know. Me under pressure with something, some work, so I have to go take care of them something there and things, see? All right. But I want to know vex and things, see? That's how it go, all right? Tomorrow again. Shirley, big up yourself, man. All right. Kimberly, no know why I'm me alone you don't want to talk to. Oh, Jesus. No, man, just balance up on the thing, man, all right? How good that your father Rags, big up yourself. Willow himself, large up, and people do remember my party next week, Saturday and thing, when I love on the forward and come support the thing and we have a good time, see? All right? One Maroon said tomorrow calling, all right? Yeah, we play Punty tomorrow, all right? All right, blessings, people, big up on yourself and things, see? I do some work, you know. No, it's all good, man. It's all good. 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 All right, blessings, people. In I'm married and thing, and then I was a little late today, so I'm gonna try to be on time tomorrow. All right, take care of yourself and sitting. All right. Yeah, Cavi say come work for me, no. Jesus, Cavi. Cavi, me nah work for you, because with you, me have to go hold in on your neck and all them something there, and hold one on your foot and brace you and all them thing there, rough you up and them something. Yeah, so. You know I hear thing that though. Alright, blessings, man. Yo, all who there, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now, okay, before you leave. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now before you leave, see? Alright? And people, just buy on a ticket to Ragabash. I remember, even if you're not come, you can still buy a ticket for support. I'll give them away. I'll give them to people so that they can come, see? So even if you're not forward, you can buy tickets just to support the events, and I'll give away the tickets, okay? Raga, me did want both the sort out me give you for your birthday. Me did want both. Me not understand that. You never write that good. Pretty one, queen. No, nothing wrong if you have a birthday and getting a sort out. Nothing wrong. Yeah, I don't want Elaine like I want to go on. You drop off a farm. You see the pressure I want to put on people. Imagine now somebody who have them birthday now and not have no access to that. Oh, them we are going to listen to them thing there and start feel bad. Like nothing now go on for me, my birthday come and me don't have nothing, somebody forget sort out with and whatever. I don't know them thing they not going to affect me and things, see? But you see them type of pressure they want to put on people, don't? Not a damn thing wrong with that, yeah? If you... So yeah, pretty one, queen. Me see where you post now. All right. No, my rule is you must be tired the day after your birthday. That is a TamFam thing. You must be tired the day after your birthday. Now, what you're tired with is your business, but you must do something fun so that you're tired the next day. That is a TamFam rule. No, it's not the same thing. You see, you look tired into sort out. And they say you look tired, But there's a lot of fun things that you can do when you're tired for your birthday. You can go climb a mountain, right? You can go kayaking. You can go, the idea is do something where make you tired, make you have a rest, to go enjoy yourself, but it not have to be that. I just the sound of the door. Yeah, that's a sound of thunder. Yeah. No, but the TamFam rule is you must be tired the day after your birthday. I was tired the day after the birthday because after me can't remember, so we play music, I watch movie go right through. I watch over some movie. I watch Equalizer 2. Yeah. Which other movie I watch? I watch one next movie, man. I watch Equalizer 2 and one next movie. Yeah, man. I'm a good. Lisa said, you can also go snorkeling. That will tire you out. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Kimberly, about 50 Shades of Grey. Yeah, what are we read up Christian thing, Yeah, I watch a movie then by myself, Diana. What wrong with that? I watch a movie by myself all the while. And if you don't want to say my life pop down, yeah, my life pop down. I'm good. Right? Come on, people. Don't know it's a John Crow now deal. They can't come psych me out with them, look at something there and think say that I got novelet solo, that Liam. Move your blood. Wait for yourself. Yo, you can't imagine all the young people live now. I grew up under them cultural pressure. They like, you have to do something for your birthday. Me see how some people them lose their mind on my birthday. I can't do nothing. I'm not nobody for go out with and whatever. Pressure. And when I'm a birthday and this and that, I'm doing for this and that, I'm a birthday. I'm not nobody for spend it with and I'm a birthday and this and that. I'm very. Wanna favor fart. Alright, see it the lacy. Them can't program your ragga, them need for know. Tell them you're bobo. And Tasha, yeah, with all them pressure there and things like that. People, there's nothing wrong. May I tell you something? It's kind of philosophical, but it's true. I mean, I judge anybody. I'm going to say something right, but I not judge anybody. I not judge anybody, right? But this is just my opinion. Feel free to disagree with it. Anytime I hear somebody with a constant commentary that their happiness is dependent on always doing something with someone else, I not jump on people, I just listen, you know. But I say, yeah, there is somebody there, another person who is not comfortable with themselves. You know the saying, no man is an island, and human beings are social animals by definition. True. But the ultimate form of maturity is when you can happy when you're alone. Right? If you can be happy with yourself, that is it. You know what I mean? Saying I need nobody else, you know, but that is it. Right? If you can be happy with yourself, sometimes your friend them all call you and why you go somewhere, you just not feel it. You just like, no, I just want to chill with myself. And you know, you ladies, you know, doing a thing, you know, me take a long bath and when you come up, put on a robe, when you put on the music, doing a look of nails, taking the time doing the nails or whatever, and them look something there, them type of self-care there and them something there and enjoy doing it, right? For somebody else, it may, you play a little jazz instrumental and you read your book, you comfort, you take a nice bath and thing like that. For some people, it's Starboy, yeah, once Arsenal a play and work. Now, you see that everybody have them little thing, right? Even that. Me used to love sports at UConn, and everybody used to love go to the stadium. And there's sometimes I love just stay home and watch it on TV. You know, I was one of the student representative on the board of trustees, so we got tickets. And at the University of Connecticut, basketball tickets, they're premium. They're like gold and whatever. And we got tickets for courtside. And a minute ago, people like, you have courtside tickets? And you know, not my thing. I want to watch it on TV. In my room, by myself or whatever. Or amongst friends or whatever, you know? Right? So, because I like that, you know. I like a core set of friends where you can hang out with and just shoot the breeze and whatever. That's cool too. But I enjoy my own company too, you see me? Yeah. But then again, I'm actually a very reflective person and thing, and I'm a thinking person and centered in thought and action and things. So I am very happy with me. You know? All right. Marcia Good as my daughter went to UConn for a master's. Didn't know you went there. Huh. I had my master's and my Ph.D. from the University of Connecticut. Go Huskies. Yeah, and this thing and this pressure is particularly strong on women, you know. It's men go out and do things by themselves, society not judge them. Make people see a woman go and club by herself or she's at a little bar or a thing, but every time man see woman by themselves, them things say like, oh, you're alone, you need somebody or whatever. No, sometimes she don't need nobody, she just want to be alone. She come up by herself, leave her alone, stop harass her. You understand? Right? So, we can't tell you how many times me hear woman say, I want to go so and so, you know, I look somebody to go with me. Yeah, I don't mind that, you know, if you want to come ragabash by yourself, it's good, you know. But, you know, if you have to come with somebody, that's good. But I'm saying, you know, we need to kind of ease up with that with the ladies, them too, man. If you raise your daughters, you know, you raise them and say, honey, as long as they want to put safety in consideration, you know, that girl, you know, that woman out alone. But once the safety issue is addressed, you know, we need to tell our daughters that, you know, don't ever feel that you need company to enjoy. You know, like the ultimate form of happiness is being happy with yourself. Because here's the thing. You see, when you're happy with yourself, see what somebody said early, a lot of people get in all kind of trouble, you know, because of company and peer pressure and societal pressures about you have to do this and that and whatever. Y'all have people who don't even want people to know so they're alone because there's some stigma attached to that, you know. People get in all kind of mix up and drama because them always have to, you know, something with somebody or whatever. You see, when you're comfortable with yourself, your mind works different, you know. People who are comfortable being alone or whatever, it's when somebody tell them, say, you have to do this or you need to do this or whatever, then people they can't say no, you know. Then people are more likely to say, no, my God. You have people in a crew and them love them friend, go through enough thing with them friend. But if them friends say, Ray, them not have no problem, I say, nah. Now if you want, go on, you go on, me not go. And then when them friends, you're boring and you just come on, whatever, go on. It's okay, I love you, see me, but if you're going to do that, go do that, but me not do it. You understand? Yeah. Right? When me have forward up in the thing and whatever, you know. Sometimes I had some people, I had some friends surprise me one time. I have some, you know, some kind of rich, wealthy friends, and them said I'm going to go party in a Manhattan. I was at Vassar. I would go down, I would drop a Manhattan and thing and whatever, and them I say, yo, you know, I could drink before we go the club, you know. I say, oh, all right, cool, man, and boom, I will go the club. And I look me man and say, come on, Kingsley, let's do some lines. Poor me at that time, and I didn't know what lines was, you know. And man said, come on, I could go do some lines and whatever. When I go, I just see people at the van. Like nothing, I just stay calm. Come on, Kingsley, do some lines. I'm okay. Come on, man, do some lines. I say, I'm okay. And you know the usual. Come on, like, one or two won't hurt you. You know that I'm okay. Kingsley, you're being a spoiler, man. You're being a party pooper. And them talk about them could have said all what they want, say, I'm not taking it. You understand? And them do them thing. And I mean, this was donkey years ago. Them do them thing. And when them say that, you know, right up, me know say me we're not gonna party and whatever, you know, but me just I line up my graceful exit, you know, and whatever, you understand? And them go on and them party and thing, and we have go back downstairs, you know, they, you know, 3 limo pull up and thing and whatever, and you know, I'm going a limo and thing and whatever. I mean, I never want to go in a limo at the time, but we're going to one of them, and it's when we reach a club. Everybody are going and whenever this and that, you know who take time slide where? Call a cab, carry me go Grand Central Station, and I catch a train and I go back. Right? And I always them a call me and thing and whatever. The next morning, emergency. Family emergency. Me da for Lego man. Quick. Why? Them bring that to Ragashanti, Kingsley at the time, obviously. But Ragashanti is comfortable being alone. And when me I run away from my family and whatever, I me that in the street alone. You understand? Me done used to that something there already, so you can't program me that way there. You understand? Yeah. So you find some people who comfortable with themselves and who can be happy being alone. They're less susceptible to temptations, that are going to get them in a trouble. That if you're going at it, it would be the result of not wanting to feel left out or not wanting to feel like you're not part of the group or feel like they're going to ostracize you or stigmatize you or figure that you have some sort of deficit or you represent a liability or that nothing I want for you and all them things that, people are like that. They can be cool, but when you reach a point that them not a problem, I make the decision and say, nope. And if I'm going to stand alone on this, I'll stand alone on this. And I would encourage you to strive to instill these qualities in your kids. Because a lot of the thing when them pick me and grew up with and whatever, it's from those developmental years. It's from those formative years, if you can't get them for be that person at that age and more likely to carry it into adulthood. And it is those years that them get in trouble with them thing there, with peer pressure thing. As you all know, I don't need to tell you that, because this need to belong, this need to not be left out. And all I'm saying is, if you're independent-minded, centered, and you have the capacity to take care of yourself and value yourself certain way, in a way where people can say you can be independent in your thoughts and actions and happy in your thoughts and actions with yourself, it's less likely that those people can be programmed and, peer pressure reach them and thing, And most people who know stay so, like, them tend to be comfortable with themselves. Think about it. Look at relationship issues, right? A lot of people, them stay in an abusive situation, them stay in an unhappy situation because they don't want to be alone. And them stay in it because what people are going to say if the relationship break up. People are going to say you can't keep no man, you can't keep woman, and them start thinking about all these extraneous variables, these and these all this thing and whatever thing, but them not think about themselves, right? People who are comfortable, with themselves and happy with themselves, when them something that come up, their thought patterns are usually along the line like, no, that is not good for me. That's how they think. And I said, no, sir, I'm not happy this, sir. No, sir, that's not good for me. Them now worry where people are thinking like, what people are going to say, whatever, this and that. They're making choices and decisions and say, no, this is not good for me. That is not good. I'm not going. That's how those people think. That's how them think like that. Now, they will say things like, no, sir, why am I going to put myself over in that position there, right? People who are happy with themselves, when abusive situation come in relationship, they are the ones who, they will fight for a relationship, but at a certain point, them say, yeah, hear me? If you want, go on. Go, it's okay, fine, go on. Because those people are not worried now, say, if you're gone, what are the consequences? Those people are like, if you really want to go on, if you steer, I go unhappy if you steer. Right? Then people are going to say, no, go on, because at this point, if you go on, then we're happy. Right? Hence the cliche. I can do right by myself. I can do better by myself. Yeah. Right? I don't need for telling. Look how much people know because of impending loneliness and all them something there and whatever. Them end up staying in a situation that they're unhappy because they don't know how to exist alone. They don't know how to be happy alone. And when you're like that, you have people who would know that you're like that and would manipulate you and use you and program you like that. And do as them like with you like that because them know so you can't manage alone. Right? Anytime you're in a situation and you hear somebody say, why you doing this to me and stop and whatever, I'm going to leave and whatever. And anytime you hear the other person say, leave and go away, where you going to go? Eh? What you going to do? What going to want you? And then you hear somebody has said that, which is just like so abusive, right, psychologically. But and then you hear somebody has said that, they know you are like that. They, in a fin mind, they have concluded, based on your actions or what you say, your conduct and whatever, that you're not happy with yourself. And them end up saying them something that to you. Demeaning, like, you know, it's their way of saying, no, you're pathetic. Stop sure of yourself, man, because where you going to go? Where you going to do? You know you can't survive alone. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. One time I was at a, I wouldn't say it's a bar and I would say it was a club. I don't even know. I would say it's a lounge. And there was this lady there. I mean, I look at corner, I drink some wine. I look over to her and she did look over to me. But she give me that look that like, Lord Jesus, I hope him nobody come bother me, because I just want to be alone. So after a while, my spirit just walk over to her and I say, you know, you gave me a look like, I hope he doesn't come and bother me, because I want to be alone. So I don't want you to think that I'm being offensive or whatever. I just want you to know that I've recognized the look and I'm not going to bother you because I'm not trying to get with anybody or anything. I don't want to sleep with anybody or whatever. And she laughed and she's like, okay, I'm going to go over the corner. But, and she come over there and she said, you mean what you did say? I'm going to say, yeah. And she said, okay. She said, mind if I sit here? I said, no, sit down. And you know, that lady and I, very attractive woman, we sit down there and we chat and it was just fun and thing and whatever. And at the end, she was just like, you know, thank you, because you mean what you say and you really did it and thing and whatever. And she said, yeah, man, sometimes I just want to be alone and enjoy my own company, but men always think, say, if a woman is alone, she needs somebody or something wrong with her and things like that and whatever. And she said, I notice you over here alone too. I say, yeah. I say, I travel a lot at the time. I was travel a lot. I say, yeah. And so I don't want nobody. I travel and whatever. Sometimes I just want to chill and whatever. So I just say, I really enjoyed our conversations and things and whatever. Really, And it was just the coolest thing, She was somebody who's accustomed, comfortable being alone. I am somebody who's accustomed to being alone. But even though we're accustomed to being alone, we were compatible in a way that wasn't, pressing and intrusive and offensive and thing. And the boundaries were still there. She not pass her place with me not pass my place with two mature people who are reasoning and whatever. But both, obviously, comfortable being by themselves. And, but there was still some compatibility there where we could still be social. Right? Yeah, man. All right? So, and the little meds they just come on. It wasn't planned, obviously, but it drop. And again, I'm in this long enough to know that that could be meaningful for some of people out there listening. And I hope the spiritual cuisine that was inherent in the discussion just now, the spiritual food, you know, I hope, I'm sure it has been useful for some of you, and, you know, just wish you all the best with that, you know. And again, that one of the ultimate forms of maturity, and in terms of the ingredients that necessitate our survival and reduce stress and make us comfortable and at peace and whatever, is to be comfortable with yourself. Having the capacity to be happy with yourself. Having the capacity to do stuff with yourself. Having that ability to truly enjoy you. You enjoy you. And again, by extension, once you really reach that state, you command a sense of power that makes certain toxicity impenetrable to you, right? Some negativity and some toxic thing that people bring to you, it's harder for them to get at you because you don't really need them. You know, if you're around them by choice. And if they're conducting themselves in a way that is not beneficial to you, you have no problem saying, oh, not for me. Because you're happy with you. And when you're happy with you, it means you value you. And you're less likely to devalue you. All right? So big up on yourself. In other words, there's power in that. All right? You become untouchable. People talk shit about you or whatever, you're like, okay, knock yourself out. Who cares? All right? Boom. Blessings. Why, Ellie, I just wake up but the reasoning done, but respect and honor, all right? I want people to remember all the shows that are here, I post them over my YouTube channel at TamFam TV. Again, all the shows that I do here, they're posted over my YouTube channel at TamFam TV. TamFam TV, the full shows, including hundreds of old shows from Jamaica, years come right up and thing, all right? So it's over YouTube at TamFam TV, and when you go over there, subscribe, all right? And by the way, subscribe over there is equivalent to follow over here. So you don't pay for subscription over there. That when you subscribe over there, you're just following, like over here. All right, Ellie, big up yourself, man. All right, take care, people. All right, blessings.